which was the Review Generative AI 2.2 T2V, that stands for Text to Video 14B model. So the problem with this model is that, I'll just give you the quick overview. The problem with that model, I don't think it's a problem with the model itself. The problem is the way, I don't know if it's ComfyUI, or I don't know if it's the way the model actually works. Is what it does is it loads the model into RAM. Yes, you heard me right. It loads the model into RAM, then it offloads it into the GPU. So the problem with this is that that's obviously not efficient, but that's not even the problem. The problem is that it doesn't remove the model is not removed from the RAM. So what happens is when the GPU does its thinking and processing and all that, it's done, the CPU then tries to generate the actual video. It has all the information, but the problem is it has run out of RAM, because remember the initial step, the first thing it did was it put the model into the RAM. Now the problem with this, as I said, is that because it doesn't have any RAM, it's going to start using a swap, which is your drive, whether it's a hard disk or SSD. It's way slower than RAM, and then in that case the RAM is actually way slower than VRAM. Now for me, the biggest problem I have here is that I have my GPU has 32 gigs of VRAM. So as I showed, the problem is when I was running the very optimized model, it was only using 11 gigs of the 32 gigs of the VRAM. So what happened was, now you have to wait until the video is generated. The problem, it's going to take a very long time using the swap. So I obviously can use a smaller model like the 5B, but I never noticed this issue with the 5B. I thought it was a little bit slow, but because it worked, I was happy. So the problem is, what I'm going to do is in today's in this live stream is I'm going to see if we can find alternatives. So what I mean by that is, it doesn't necessarily mean that I have to go find a smaller model. I'm just going to see if there's a way to basically maybe generate videos a different way, because if that's what ComfyUI does, I might have to look for an alternative which loads the thing into the GPU. Basically what I'm looking for is maybe like a command line parameter which will say, only use the GPU. Well, so I'm well aware that using the GPU instead of the CPU is to produce some artifacts, and it might not, it's not as accurate. I'm well aware of that, but I just want to make sure that the GPU is used at 50%, 65%, 75%, right? Instead of using the RAM, because the RAM, the RAM usage, as you see, it goes up to 95, 98%, and it's crazy. And although I have 32 gigs of RAM, in case you're wondering, it's not really 32 gigs of RAM. What's happening is some of that RAM is being used for some of that RAM is being used to because I have integrated graphics as well. I'll explain why that is. So the integrated graphics reserves 4 gigs of that, so I'm already down to 28 gigs of RAM. And then the system I'm using, Fedora 42 Linux, by the way, it uses ZRAM. It takes 8 gigs of that. So I believe it's 8 gigs. So what happens is, the real usable one is not even, you might think, oh, now you have 20 gigs. Not really, because I think some ZRAM I'm able to use it, so that might be that might be okay there. But I'm saying I'm also running applications. For example, I'm running OBS right now. I have some web browsers open because, oh, by the way, I'm live streaming on YouTube, Odyssey, Rumble, and BitChute right now. I'm live streaming all of them simultaneously. I'm just using FFmpeg. Okay, so with me doing all of that, as I said, I mean, obviously FFmpeg, there's just a slight little performance hit, but it doesn't affect the the system usage. So before I start, I'll show you what the system usage is. So we're going to use this. So this is the system usage right now. This is OBS, FFmpeg sending the signal, sending the stream to multiple, I said, like a YouTube, Rumble, Odyssey, and BitChute. So as you can see here, I have a 6-core, 12 threads, Ryzen 5 5600 GT. The GT always stands for, the G part stands for, obviously, integrated graphics. So as you can see here, it says it's 29.3 gigs. So I was right when I said 28 gigs. And of course, when we start using SAP application, it's going to go up. Usually it's about 8.4. So what I'm saying is that maybe I open up another window when, some stuff. So as you can see is, and I was forced to actually increase the swap. So what I did is I created a swap. I created a swap file, and I'll show you how I did that. I explained all today in today's tutorial I did earlier. So this, as you can see, this is a very long article. I explained everything I did. So if you want to learn about ComfyUI, you should watch the live stream I did earlier today at 2 p.m. Eastern. And I wrote everything I tried. I have tables, so you can see all the everything I tried. So this will help you as well. One thing I'll let you know is that ever since I went all AMD, one thing I've noticed is that a lot of things, even though the AMD, both the GPU and the CPU are way, not just theoretically, they're literally way better than the system they replaced, which was an Intel i7 2600 from 2011, and a GPU, which was the NVIDIA GTX 950 from, I bought it in 2016. It only had 2 gigs of VRAM. So not just on paper, literally the stuff I have now is, for example, that CPU which I replaced ran very hot, by the way. It had 4 cores and 8 threads. So you can see here I have double the number of threads, right? and double the number of cores. No, not double, sorry, that's not wrong. I apologize for that. I have at least 50% more. 50% more, yeah, 50% more cores and 50% more threads. So, and the RAM, I had only 16 gigs of DDR3 RAM, but when I first bought that system, when I first created it, only had 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM. So this system has, right off the bat, has 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM. So that's already double what I had before. So you'd expect the system to be much more, way better, which it is. Okay, so the focus here is, so my GPU, if you don't know, it's an AMD Instinct Mi60. It has 32 gigs of HBM2 memory. So because it was a server GPU, it didn't come with any cooling because it expects the motherboard or the server settings to cool it. So what I did is I bought a 3D printed shroud for the GPU, and then I also, because I didn't have time, I also bought it with the 40mm fan. So what I do is I just control it when it's on idle. It's about just below 3000 RPMs because I like things to be quiet. And then when I'm actually doing some AI stuff or some GPU related, maybe like I'm rendering, then I manually set it up to about 50%, which is about 8000 RPM. So the reason I do that is because I actually have a script. Actually, let's actually get started. I'm just yapping too much here. So I'll show you here. Just a second. I'll show you what I did here. Come on. Oh, no, I don't want. Are you? No one. Okay. Why is it doing this? Okay, make it smaller. Okay, so So what I did is with the motherboard, unfortunately in Fedora Linux, it didn't come with this sensor driver, this NCT6687D. So I had to get it. I got it from GitHub, and I just compiled it once, but I compiled it as DKMS. That means that anytime my kernel updates, it will automatically recompile it for the new kernel, so I don't have to do anything. So so when I got this, then I was able to have control over the all the fans. So what I did is, remember that I told you about that fan shower with the 40mm fan? So I just connected to one of the fan not outlets, but the pins on the motherboard. And so I also bought case fans. So it's using 6 case fans, and obviously there's a fan for the GPU. I just use the stock cooler. I think it's called RAF. And then this one for the GPU. I did a what do you call it, an unboxing and all of that. So and then so as you can see here, as I said, I did create my own fan profile here by default in BIOS because there's no the fan shroud is just connected, so there's no way there's not another pin or something where it can then read the temperatures from the GPU. So because of that, if you just default just plug it in, it's gonna go to 100%. It's very loud. It goes like 16,000 RPMs. It's extremely loud. It's like a jet engine taking off. So I couldn't work like that. So what I decided to do was I wanted to find an alternative. So luckily the GPU without the fan, it runs at it runs at about, I don't know, it was running about 50 degrees, which is fine, but when I finally get full control, I get running about 47, which is perfectly fine. So I have a point. I think I do remember you were also in my the earlier live stream for today. Thanks for joining again. So he's saying when running, when running the WAN wrapper 97 frames at 480p, I'm usually about 71 gigs of RAM used and 16 gigs of VRAM. You're definitely going to need to use the GGUF for everything, like Q4 for the 14B model, Q4 for the UMT5. Okay, so I did download earlier, I think that one, the GGUF. I did download it, and so it looks like one of the solutions would be for me to get more RAM. So if I get more RAM, probably another 32 gig, probably even a 48 gig, then everything should be fine. But before I decide to do that, I said I wouldn't have a problem buying more RAM if it was DDR5, but because this is DDR4, I'm unsure of how long I'll keep this system. This system is unlikely to last as long as my old workstation from 2011. So my old workstation from 2011, I finally put it out of commission literally just a few months ago when I built this one. So this one is definitely, what is that now? 14 years? So that was over 14 years. So this one is no way is going to last 14 years. So that's why I am queasy about buying more RAM. But I said because we're in the Black Friday period right now, so if the RAM is cheap, I might buy RAM and the NV2 drive as well. I do have 2 slots open, so I can if I buy I can buy maybe 2 sticks of 32 gigs, so that would take me to 96. Is that right? 92. So yeah, I can do that. What I can do is, as I said, I'll see. Like I said, if it's going to be worth it, sure. But so far I have not been impressed with the videos. But I'm saying is, if it's worth it, yeah, I don't mind spending a little bit for the RAM, and we'll see. Okay, so what I was finishing up here. So I found this application cool. Sorry, I got out of it. So I decided not to use my own fan profile because I said what happens when you run AI or when you render stuff, the GPU gets extremely hot. It just jumps really quickly. So I knew that my fan profile would not be able to keep up because it's just a script here. So what I decided to do instead is I'll just control it manually, because 100% of the time, yeah, you heard me right, 100% of the time when I'm generating or rendering, I'm going to be around, because the other things to do, I'm just making sure, like for example, if I'm uploading videos, I'm making sure the text doesn't have spelling mistakes, things like that. So I'm saying I'm going to be around, so I don't mind running this manually. For example, like today when I tried to render the video, you guys saw like I'm here, and then I'll pay attention to what's going on. Okay, so all right, so as you can see here, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is obviously actually I'll get the fan up and running, and then I'll start ComfyUI. See, this is the swap file as well. I put everything into this partition because this was a free partition, so I also put my Podman stuff in here because there's enough space. So the goal for today's this night live stream is that I'm hoping to find something. There's 5 things we're going to try, so I'm hoping one of them will work. And palm limit is 60%. It's 3% lower, way cooler. Okay, sure, we could try that as well. Okay, so let's go. Hey, by the way, I think you told me you had a 4090, if I'm right. You have a 4090 GPU. So that's cool. All right, and I think you have 16 gigs of GRAM. Okay, the VRAM. Sorry, I mean. Okay, so here I'm just going to start up this. I'll start up the cooler first. Unfortunately, you have to be a super admin because of the permissions, but that's perfectly fine. It's just an app image, and I'll type in my password. So another problem could be maybe because I'm on Wayland, but yeah, there's also X-Wayland, which I could use as well. All right, so and then just cd into the ComfyUI, and obviously start our this one here, the welcome virtual environment for Python. So all you do is just source. Oh, sorry guys, I don't think you can see that. So and then just find the welcome. Yeah, there we go. Then it's bin/activate. Okay, and then you just Python main.py. Has 40 gigs of 24 gig of I leave some over so I can use LLM and not worry. I'm using DDR4. Okay. Okay. So all right. Actually, the fact, yeah. So it's not like DDR4 is gonna get bad or anything or be left behind. I mean, like I said, I was using DDR3 until literally this year. So as you can see, it will tell me the URL here. I really dislike, you see this Comfy manager, you see it's fetching again. I already did it earlier today. So this one thing I dislike about it, and I think I might actually get rid of it, because most likely I will, anyways, we'll go back, we'll do that later. So let's go here, copy. I'm gonna use, I'm already using a bunch of, forgot that, yeah, I forgot I'm live streaming on multiple channels. Okay, so we'll paste it here. So while this loads up, I will also load up the other one. I think, I can't even remember, I think it was 11, yeah, this one, the 11987, that's for the cooler control. So as you can see, the GPU on idle, that's because I said I haven't turned on the heater yet, so it's 44. Normally it's like 49, sometimes up to 50, but because I said it's pretty cool in here, so that's fine. And as I explained before, it's we're looking for fan number 2 here. This one, fan 2. So that's I don't need to watch this CPU temperatures, but it gives me an indicator if it's actually running on the CPU or running on the GPU. So I leave that open, but the one I'm focused on is this one. This is the dedicated graphics, and this is the integrated graphics. I don't care about the integrated graphics. I mean, I do, because that's how I'm hooking up the monitors and stuff. But I'm saying is, when it comes to generating AI and stuff like that, it's the dedicated GPU here. So you see, I know it's not in use because the temperature, that's the idle temperature. Can I drop this down to 1%? Sure, I could, and then the temperature will rise a little bit, but this is fine. It's quiet enough, and I'm happy with that. All right, so you guys saw this before. If you don't know what any of this does, how to get this. This is the default WAN 2.2 14B. So what I did was, I went to the templates, the default templates. I went to video, and I picked this one here. I didn't pick it because she's a pretty girl now. The reason is I just wanted to try a bigger model. So previously I chose the 5B, and I said the 5B does work. This one here. See, the 5B video generator. This one did work. So I wanted to get a bigger one. I wasn't sure because you see there are multiple versions. They see there are multiple versions. So I was very confused which one. So I was like, okay, that's what I want. I want text to video. So this one is image to video. I'm not ready for that one yet. That will be obviously I. That's when you see I. It will be I to V or something like that. That means it's image to video. So this is a replacement. This one is last frame to video. I'm not ready for those ones yet. I just want to. And this one stands for sound to video, audio to video. I thought at first it said song to video. Homo. What does that mean? Does anybody know what that means? Homo. Generates basic audio, image, and text. Keeps the. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing you have to add. Oh, wait. How does it? Okay, I don't know what that means. Okay, so let's see if there's any other models here. I'm hoping there are. There's another one, Fun Paint, and another one, Fun Paint here. So I thought there was more. Yeah. So let's keep on scrolling. There's one VAS. Text to video. I don't know what those ones are, and I wish it would give me the what version of WAN that is. And this is 2.1. People told me that. Oh, sorry, not people. When I was researching, this is the reason I didn't use 2.1. People were saying that it had some problems. It's not as good as the 2.2. So voice input mode. There are so many fine tunes of WAN. Yeah. ATI, I don't know what that one is. Fan 14B, text to video, image to video, imprinting. Oh, okay, here we go. So I forgot. I have some notes, but I didn't have time to. I've been actually pretty busy today. I actually got a little bit of work, so, and then the usual stuff with the chickens. So. And then the live stream, so took a lot of my time. So I heard this one's a good too, but we should. Oh, here we go. I didn't read this. Oh no, that's the up one there. So text to video, LTX. So this one I heard could be a problem as well. Image to video, no. Mochi to video, one video to text. I think one, sorry, my bad. And SVD, generate videos by creating images from text. Oh, you know what? Let's try, this looks like it'll be fun. Text to image to video. Let's try this one first. This is kind of old. Have you ever tried this one, SVD? Came out with one new one that also generates audio at the same time. Okay, so let's try this one, text image to video. Generate video from image. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one. I wish it told me how big it is. Like, it doesn't say. No, really? Okay. So point view says it's an old one. To N8N. What does 8? What does 8N8 N8N mean? I don't understand. Oh no, is that node 8N? I don't understand. Can you connect this? I don't understand what you mean by that. I don't understand what N8N means. Okay, let's see what this one does. So 16 gig, and yeah. Oh, have you used the 5B? I was able to get videos for 5B. I was able to get stuff for 5B. So what do you call it? As an automation app, you connect LIMS and web APIs. Okay, I've never heard of it until you just mentioned it right now, so I have no idea. Okay, so I'm gonna download this to here. So where does this go? This goes into checkpoints. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that URL, and I'll show you guys how you can download faster. If you use Curl has like a multi, what do you call it, and you can also continue as well. Obviously the web browser can do the same thing, but you can do the same thing. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna go to this check, so ComfyUI models, what's it called, checkpoints. I don't see checkpoints. I have to, oh, here we go. Oops. Checkpoints. Okay, so let's come on. Yeesh. Guess I've replaced the mouse as well. So you just type curl, and then the name. So you just type curl hyphen progress bar -L means it will follow, because sometimes the URLs will redirect, so it will follow follow it. And I don't know if this is 0. I think it's 0. Capital O for output. So just paste the URL in there, and it will start downloading. And you can see the percentage as well from there as well. Okay. One thing I noticed also when I was when I was actually using because I'm using the GPU to record video. One thing I noticed is that if the GPU, I'm talking about the dedicated GPU, even just a little bit, the weird thing is the images came out a little bit blurry. So I was kind of surprised with that. Why is this taking forever? Why? Well, that is actually pretty slow. Should be much faster. Oh, let me see, maybe I made a mistake. Oh, it's 66 gigs, so that should be much faster. Oh, this one is actually bigger, so maybe I'll copy this one as well. I will do the parallel with the resume. Curl -C. Let me spell curl properly. I thought it would be. I thought there would be. I thought there would actually be. What do you call it? I thought it would actually be faster. So I know I'll just click this one to download, and we can compare. So it's downloading. It's gonna take a while. Okay, so while those models are going to take a while, all I have to do is put them in the what do you call it? I have to put them in the checkpoints. I'll remember that. Okay, so now while that's running, so let's. I'm surprised there's back here. I thought there would be more. So I thought there would be more. What do you call it? What is the video API? Do you know what the video API does? Okay, so transform static images to dynamic, generate. Okay, Luma video, text to video. Have you ever done this before? Have you tried the video API? Apply motion from one video to another. Motion pose. run over generation 4 turbo. Is this like online? Oh, generate videos using images from, okay, so so it looks like I was right. I guessed correctly. So I guess this is from the third parties. Okay, so that's not gonna work because we want to do local. Since we're waiting, I have some fun things I want to show you guys. So I think one time I went to Image one time. Oh, and what I did was there's something like 3D. I generated a 3D or something like. So I tried that and it came out really funny. I'll show you. I don't remember if it was here. I can't remember now where it was. Oh yeah, that's what I thought. Looks like I don't even recognize any of this. Where did I pick that one from? What is flux? Text to image, chroma to image. I've heard of all these terms, but I don't know what that does. What was the best for 3D? Okay, is it? Oh, a 3D model. Sorry, I should pay attention there. I think I used. I don't know which one I used. I used one of them, and I can't remember which one I honestly don't remember which one I can't remember which one I chose. But so what I decided to do is it single image? Are they all from single images? Oh, this is for multiple images. So those are the ones I used. Oh, it was either this one or one of these two. So what I did was I'll show you guys what the result. So and from the I decided to use tux. So I went to pictures. And I chose, where's tux here? I chose one of the tux here. I don't remember which one. I chose one of them. So it's the same image. This one has text. So I chose one of them. So I thought it converted into something like this, and then the result was pretty funny. I'll show you guys right now. We go to ComfyUI. We go to output. You see 3D. You created the photo here 3D, and you see this is what happened. This was the result. And I was thinking, huh? How does I'll show you guys. I don't remember if it was I don't remember which one I chose. Oh, it must have been the one which is just plain. Let me see. Is it BMP? It was either this one. It must have been this one. It looks like it's plain. I think this is the one. Or one of them. It doesn't really matter, but I'll pick the BMP. Yeah. So from this, I got this. And the funny thing is, this is already more 3D than whatever it produced. So that was like super funny. You know, maybe I should try it again. Let's try it again since we're waiting. How long do we have to wait? We gotta wait for this one. It says it's turning about 40%, so 60% to go. And this one is where, wow, this one is saying 13 minutes. That is weird. Yeah, the Hugging Face is usually really fast. I don't know why it's slow right now. That is super weird. Usually it's super fast. I wonder if it's slow because I am pulling it from my local machine. I think if I go there, that's what I usually do. I usually go there and just download it there. Maybe that's what I should have done. Should just have searched and download from there. I think it's faster. Yeah. Well. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. So okay. Now I got you. So you basically already have a. You already have like. What is it? Yeah, it's weird. What is that format? I didn't even pay attention to the format. What did it create here? It created a PNG file. Okay, now you know what? Let's try it again. I can't remember which one I chose. Okay, I'm gonna click this one. Hopefully, okay. So this is the one. I don't know if this is the one. I can't remember. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit. So it says choose image. There's a hypertext example output. Okay, so I'll do that. I want to see if there's anything I can 256 by 256, and oops, I should have moved this. Yeah, so ComfyUI, is that what it put here? Yeah, ComfyUI. So this yeah, this looks like it. So oh, this one saves it as image, so I can't change this. So this must be the one I use. So let's see if I'll pick another one. I'll generate a 3D image. So what I do is I go back to the template, go to 3D model, and I'll try, no, okay, so let's try 2.0. So it wants me to download, okay, that's 4 gig. Let me see if the 2.1 let me see if the 2.1 one is any better or smaller. 3D model. Oh, I can't remember now, shoot. You know what, I can't remember now. Okay, so I'll download this one. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'll download and make sure I have enough space first. df h. Where's the mount? Oh, I have lots of space. Okay, I have lots of space. No, nothing to worry about. So I will click. Oh, this one. Oh, they all go to. Oh, weird. They all go to checkpoints. Okay. So I'll download that one as well. Let's see what's going on here. Why is it taking so long? Maybe I should have downloaded this earlier. No, normally I download several gigs of usually like double, like usually they're 20. Look at that, 40 minutes. I don't know why it's slow. Is it because of, no, it can't be because of the live stream. That is super slow. Look at that. It's like going up instead of going down. Or at least this one will finish soon. Okay, so this one will finish soon. But so let's, while we're waiting, let's actually pick something that we actually have and see. Oh, I can also generate a video. So before I generate the video, let's actually have some fun here. Let me actually go back to 3D model, and I'll pick this guy because this one I know works. And let's pick a file. I'll pick the taxa penguin again. That was in pictures. Right. Oh, wow. So it doesn't like BMP files. It must have been a JPEG. Okay, fine. I'm wondering if I have. You know what? This time I'm going to do a transparent image. So this is a transparent GIF file. So I'll pick that one. It's the same, and here it is. It's transparent. Okay, and yeah, so there we go. Leave everything the same, just the defaults, and I'm gonna kick. Oh, okay, making. I'm not sure if I should actually get this running first. Actually, this doesn't take too long if I don't hit the GPU that much. So let's go check it out. The GPU temperature shouldn't go, but I'll just be prepared just in case. I don't think I'll need to run the GPU. I'll check the temperatures. And I can pay attention up here as well. I don't think it hits the GPU. You can check the command line, what's going on as well. Not this guy here. Just quickly take a look. You see, it's done. I didn't have to touch the GPU. So the GPU wasn't even touched at all. Well, yeah, the GPU wasn't even touched at all. See, it stayed there, and that's fast. I said the what do you call it? The generating images, it's pretty fast. So let's see if it was any better. If we go to 3D. it's actually worse. So this it's actually worse than before. I don't know how. So somehow it might. So this was the first time I did it, and the second time was. It actually looks more of like a rubber ducky. But that's what I don't understand. How is it worse? Right? Like it was actually more 3D looking than and also put a black. It put a what do you call it? It put a black background there, which is fine. And what is? Oh, this was the T for text. The T. Okay, right. That's super weird. Yeah, that's super weird. Maybe I need something more simple. I don't know. I don't have anything more simple than Tax the Penguin. Have you guys tried this? Is it any good? I don't know what this is for because it doesn't look anything like what I expected. I'm wondering if I'm thinking if I can draw something really quickly. What about just text? Actually, let me go read it. Let's see. Does it do text? Let's go read it. This is why I dislike working on a small screen. Like, I wish I could do 4K. Actually, technically, I think I can, but I need to set up OBS for that. Actually, oh, it's just a monitor. You know what? Maybe. Yeah, that actually be so much better. You know what? I will try. Maybe in a couple days I'll try to do a 4K live stream. I really dislike working on a small screen. Here, where was I? 3D model. Let's read what it says. Generate 3D views. Oh, 3D views. Generate 3D views from single images using stable diffusion. Oh, so I guess all it does is, I guess, just to give you like a fake 3D. It's like a 2.5. Okay, that makes sense. So I was thinking this guy is way more complex than what I've done. So okay, so that I won't call it useless, but I'm more curious to see when this guy's pop in. Okay, so this one is at. This is basically done. It's already in the folder. Let's check on these two guys. So this one is actually about halfway done. Yeah, so this is what I was saying. You see, I should have used curl, because curl would have gone much faster, but we'll wait for that one. While that's waiting, let's actually go and generate a video, and I'll show you video here, and we use the 5B. Where's 5B? Oh, it's 2.4, went too fast, I'm guessing. All right, here we go. And I could generate it at that, but I think that will take. Let me actually check some of the videos we have. Output videos, the videos that actually worked. So for example, this one worked. What's the resolution of this one? 5 to, oh, that's a square. That's weird, doesn't look like a square. This one is 896. Oh, that was only 1 second. That's kind of useless. Okay, so 512 by 512, 6 seconds. Let's create one that's 3 seconds. Because I just want this to go fast. I know it works, so what I'll do is I'll change this to something smaller. Let's say 254. 254. What in the world happened? Doesn't go 254? Okay. Oh, 256, 256. Okay, that's good enough. I don't really care. We're going to change this to, let's say, what's 15? Oh, 45. 45, and the steps will be 20. That's fine. The FPS, I'm going to change it to 15. I just want it to go very quickly. All right, make sure this okay, 9 minutes, so yeah, the video should be done by then. Okay, and I'll just leave the default stuff here, so it's very low resolution, and I'll just click run. Oh, okay, so as I was showing you guys earlier, see when you see this color, it's like a purple color, that means it's been disabled, so that's perfectly fine. That means image to video as well. So let's click run. I'll go here, and once this, I'll wait for this to go up. It should start going up very quickly. See, it's using the CPU. And I want to check the command line here. You see, this is the problem. It loads it in. It looks like this one also loads it into the. You're looking for CUDA, then it loads it into the RAM, into the memory first. So that's the thing I dislike. I wish it would load. Okay, finally it's on the CPU. I mean, a CPU. It's running on the GPU, so I need to jump that up. Let's check it here. Oh, great! I have a beetle. I have a beetle in the middle of the live stream. Okay, I'm gonna do so. I'm gonna take care of that while this is running. It's gonna annoy me. See, that's the thing. Living in a rural area, you get so many bugs, and they follow you. They come inside uninvited. So as you can see, I should actually have shown the task manager. Yeah, there it is as well. So you can see it uses, obviously it still uses the memory here, but you see it also uses a little bit of the swap, which is perfectly fine. I just wish it would just offload right to the GPU instead. That would be so much better. Yeah, I just wish it did that instead. Because the GPU is clearly capable. It's not even being used. The GPU is not used for. It's not being used for. What I mean is that it should just bypass and throw it right to the GPU. I wish it did that. That would be able to generate videos in much faster. Okay, so while that's running, it will say completed here. Not loaded, it would say complete, and then that's when you know the video is ready. So there you go. When it says prompt executed in so much, that's when you know it has finished. So I'm curious to see what that video will look like. So you see, yeah, that's what I expected. It's basically trash. So let's actually play. This is actually going to be pretty. Yeah, I can already tell it's not going to be a good video. What's going on? So clearly that's not very good. So let's bump up. Let me see. I can probably do another run, and so you can see when the GPU temperatures go down. That's how I know that it stopped using the GPU. And we can look at the RAM here. The RAM didn't go down that much, but it's still using some RAM. But that's fine. Like I said, the RAM is properly fine. Which one for 5B? You want to see it? Okay, let's go take a look at it. Let me check this one here. Okay, this one is almost done. So we'll be able to I just need to put, yeah, so that's almost done. This one is still about 3 minutes. Okay, so I'll show you, let me zoom in here. Oops. Okay, I can do this for now. Zoom in here. Okay. You need to use 2.1 VAE, not 2.2, which is only used. Yeah. So well, the 2.2 14B, it uses a 2.1 VAE, and that one is that one I wasn't able to get it. I was not able to get it to work. Oh, it says load disk space. Oh shoot! It's low disk space. I might lose you guys, so I need to delete some stuff. Yeah, that's shoot, I hope this finishes. I don't want to re-download this. Did one of them finish? Oh, come on! Oh man, I run out because it's downloading on the main partition. Ah, shoot! Oh man! Oh shoot! Shoot! I need to delete some stuff. Okay, give me a second here. I have to find some stuff to delete. But there's no way I have that much stuff to delete here. Let's go to the home folder. Okay, I can't delete that one. Let's go to the downloads folder. Oh, I can delete that noise one. How much? Oh, that's 10 gig. Oh, perfect. I can delete that one. I don't need that one. Okay, I found 10 gigs. There's something here I can delete. Come on, right click. Okay, move to trash. Empty trash. Okay. So ignore. So hopefully the download is continuing because I found some space out of space. Can this continue? Free up space and try. Oh, no! Oh, you gotta be kidding! Try again. Really? You've gotta be kidding me! Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Oh my goodness! I can't believe. Come on! It actually deleted the files. Oh, jeez. Okay, so I can't remember what was I doing. Okay, so a little bit ticked off there. Anywho, it deleted that, so I wasn't able to finish. So SVD is junk. Okay, well, it's too. I can't run it anyway. Oh man. Oh, you know what? I'll follow my instinct. I should just use curl. Next time we're just gonna use curl. Oh man, I can't believe that. Ah, oh, I can't believe that. I can't believe that. It says unconfirmed, so I still here. I'll show you guys. Look at this. So you see, it says unconfirmed. It's 9.4 gigs, and this one it says this one is 5.8 gigs. So they're still here. How do I get them to continue? Oh, resume. Oh, thank goodness, resume. Okay, there we go. I learned something. Resume. Oh, thank goodness. Resume. Oh my God, they're gone. Look at that. They're gone now. Oh, it says cancel. Well, it already deleted them, so okay, that's totally useless. Yeah, it deleted them because now it says I have 25 gigs free, so it did it. Okay, that's completely useless. Okay, where were we? We were getting oh yeah, that doesn't matter. We got rid of it. Okay, so that was trash anyway. So all right, so pulling my hair out. So that's two things that okay, so I might as well delete this one as well in the checkpoints. Let's go back to checkpoints. I think it was this one, right? Let me check the date of this one. No, that's not it. Oh, it's this one. I believe it's this one. Yeah, 23. So this is useless because I'm might as well delete that one as well. All right. Let's see. Yeah, so as you can see with the oh, this is the 5B. So the 5B is I said the 5B does work. I can just fool around this one until I get it to work. Now I'll show you. As I said, you see the problem is the WAN model. I don't know if it's a WAN model. Oh, what am I doing here? Let me stop yelling here. Go back to 2%. Sorry about that. As I was saying is that I don't know if it's a ComfyUI thing. What it does is it loads the models into RAM first, and then it offloads to the GPU. So what I would like is I would like to just use the GPU. If you guys know if there's a command line or something I can do where, like I said, the GPU is clearly not even being it's barely being used, because like these models, whether they're 11 or 24, there's still a lot of space. So literally everything could be run right from the GPU. So if I'm not able to get something nice, I might have to just run it on the command line using something like Llama, CPP, or something else, which is kind of unfortunate, because one of the good things about having nodes is that you can easily try things visually. On the command line, you have to wait, and then you have to say, oh, did I make a mistake? So even if it's a JSON file, I'm saying visually being able to see it, it helps at least until you can improve. And of course, if I can see and say, oh, I made a mistake here in the prompt, and I can change it. So I do like the visual, being able to do things visually. It's also good for learning until I'm comfortable, and then I can probably just do my own prompts. My prompts will be pretty much the same all the time. All right, so so as you guys know, is the problem with the problem is not really even the size, the video size and length. It's just the way it works. So let's see if there's something else we can try. Is there a website I can? Oh yeah, I did find some websites where there's some models as well. So maybe we can try some of those. So okay, so I said we tried the 5B, 5 fan control. I don't know what when. So you already explained that, and text to video. Have you tried this one, the LTXV? Oh no, I think you said something about those ones. What did you say about everything? Glass is very old. It sucks. Okay. Okay. Oh. All right. So you know, let's see this one. One video to text. U1. Let's see what that one does. Okay, so 8 gig, 25 gig. Okay, that's gonna take, and that's a 16. So this one's gonna be a problem. So I'm not even gonna bother with this one. This is gonna be a problem. Now, if you put all this stuff onto the GPU, I wouldn't have a problem with that, because it looks like it could all fit into the GPU. But yeah, I'm not gonna even bother with that one. that one's gonna be problematic. I can already tell. So what's this one? Image to video. Oh, I also need to get the audio up and running as well. I'll have to figure that out. So it looks like the only one I have is this one. Fun in Paint. Oh, do you have any more models which generate 2.1 ControlNet? That's videos. That's it? Oh, yeah. So my question is, are there any websites where I can go? Oh, yeah. I think I answered my own question. Duh. I think I do have somewhere I can get. So here we go. Let's see here. Oh, not again. Okay, I did have the URLs. Looks like I need to go find them again. So they were WAN 2.2 native text to video workflow. ComfyUI models, okay, here, I don't think it was this one. There was, oh, yeah, this is the official. No, that's not the one. There was, I remember it was on, I was actually, oh, where did I visit it? Maybe it's in my history. Check the history. I was actually there today. It was the official WAN 2.2 page where it had, so maybe I'll click that one. Okay, no, that's not the one. I can't remember what browser where I was earlier today. I was actually there and it had the, oh, this was native workflow. I think this was it. Maybe this is the one where I was earlier today. No, this wasn't it. I was here earlier, not earlier, but some other days prior. Oh yeah, the JSON, so you can get the JSON workflows, but clear those are already built into ComfyUI. So this, yeah, this doesn't help me at all. So it looks like this is a fail, just like the earlier one at 2 what time at 2 p.m. So it looks like there's nothing I can do here. Oh yeah, this LTX video. Image to video, text to video, drag the video directly to Configure to run the workflow, download the required. Did we do this? And I can't remember now. I'm a little bit confused. Oh, no, that was one video. Let's see if this one works. Not image, text to video. This one. Click that one. 9 gigs and 8 gigs. Where is the URL from? Okay, so I'll copy. We're gonna make that stupid same mistake again. Oh, where does it go? Oh, this one goes at different. Oh, this one, I should get this one. This is the one that goes to the checkpoints. So I'll copy that. There are newer versions. So what do I do? Do I just upgrade ComfyUI to get the newer template? Oh, I forgot I should click. Duh. What's wrong with me today? So text encoders. Okay, so why do I have so many of this stuff open? Okay, checkpoints. Text encoders. No, that's not what we want. Oh, okay. We'll try that as well. Okay, so while this is downloading, I can pay attention to that. So this is downloading way faster, even though it's much bigger. So yeah, see, this is what I'm trying to say. Hugging Face is weird. Like some models, they come in much faster, and others take their sweet time. It's really weird. Okay, so the manager, and what do we do here? So where I think it's better to be searching for in the model library in the Comfy manager. Okay, so model manager. Okay. Oh, ooh. Wow, thanks for that. I didn't know you could do that. Okay, there I learned something else. So, cool. Stable vision image to text. Like I said, okay. Oh, okay. So instead of doing it manually, just then you click install. All right. Thanks for that. So this one is a stood image, general video format. It's 9 gigs and stable. Oh, okay, cool. All right. So, wow. Okay, yeah. Looks like, yeah, some of this stuff I installed manually, but you can do it over here. Okay, that's interesting. Thanks for that. I'll definitely type LTX in a search. LTX. And distilled. Oh wow, okay, interesting. All right, so wow, okay, wow. Oh, that's yeah, that's way better than having to go. Well, can I also get like? Oh wow, okay, so there's quite a lot of stuff here. I do have space for all of this, so I can. 9.8 is even newer. Okay, interesting. Yeah, okay. Definitely try this out for next time and get this up. Get this as well. Do they also have all the? Which one? What was the other one I'm looking for? I can't remember now what I was looking for. Oh, let's see. There are one stuff there too. 12B, 48, 48p. Oh, that's a 2.1. Let's see, 2.2. 14B, yeah, so that's the same stuff that I did. Yeah, so there's only that one obviously I installed myself. Mi60, cool, alright. No, I was just trying to see if I could get like what I'm saying is that instead of how I was trying to think like how do I know if like for example there's updates or in the future if there's something between 5B and 14B or something like that. So I'll just so it looks like it's all here. All I need to do is okay. So looks like the manager, the ComfyUI manager is actually useful. So I might keep that despite its low annoyance. I'll keep that as well. Excellent. All right. So I'll definitely be using this. Just a second. My brain is a little bit washed. What am I downloading right now? Oh yeah, LTXV. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So yeah. So we can try this later. I'm pretty happy with the way the images are. The way the images come out, and they come out really fast. I have a question for you. When you generate images, how long does it take to generate, say, seven? Let me see what size image. I think I just use the default stuff. Is it video? Yeah, video output. So example like this guy. What's this? Oh, it's 512 by 512. I think I made some bigger ones. Or did I always leave it at 512 by 512? Okay, 512. Okay. So how long does that take you to do a 512 by 512 from the images? With Kaya Huggins face page, he has one ComfyUI with like 100 different fine tunes. Okay. That's pretty cool. What was that guy's name? Winner, is it Killer Winners or Winner Killers? That's a site where I actually downloaded that C. Okay. Oh, Flux. Okay. I was just using the default one. Yeah. So that's about what I have too, and this 512 by 512. So did I ever download something? Did I make something big? I guess I haven't yet. I was doing. I was always. Yeah. Looks like I never tried it. You guys might recognize this one here. I think I actually use it for a YouTube thumbnail. Actually, this looks a little bit bigger. Let's see what properties that one. Yeah, I used that for YouTube thumbnail. I think it was when the GPU jumped up to 512 degrees. I did use that one. And you guys might also recognize some of these other ones as well, which I actually did use them for video thumbnails. So where percent are we right now? Alright, so I'll try this when it finishes. Looks like I forgot to put it so it shows how much time is remaining. That's fine. I think I was there today. Was it today? Something Winner, Killer Winner. Okay, I can't find it here. Let me actually check out. Let me check out where it is. I don't want to do anything too stupid here. I'll check my history, and I'll tell you where I went. I guess it must have been. Where was I? Where was I in Twitch? Oh, I forgot. I should search actually. Hugging face. What's wrong with me? Oh yeah, Bullowins. This is the one here. Bullowins. So this is the one. This is where I got the GGUF version. I got it from here, and see they have the list: the 2-bit, 3-bit, 4-bit, 5-bit. That's the one I got, the 5-bit ones. That's where I download them. So you told me to go to Kijia, so I'm gonna copy that. Can I copy? Why can't I just copy? Okay, Control C. Got it. I'm also gonna copy this one as well. Oops. It copied my. Why did it copy your message? Oh, I forgot to. Okay, that makes sense. I should actually copy it first. And we go here. Okay, yeah. I think I've heard of that one too. So search. Yeah. ComfyUI one video. Okay, so I'm gonna bookmark this as well. Make sure I put it there. Okay, cool. Thanks for this one. Excellent. So I will. Yeah, I'll definitely try. I'll definitely test this as well. I'll test this one as well. Yeah, absolutely. I'll definitely check this ones as well. That would be perfect. Hey, when I was deciding to use ComfyUI, I found that there are some nodes that you can get, and you can actually do like text generation. Have you tried that in ComfyUI? Like what I'm saying is that you can ask it to generate just code or something as well. So I was thinking, why would you do that in ComfyUI? I guess because people like the node system. So some they liked it so much they actually then create a node system where it's just like a chat AI. Yeah, click on files here or inside ComfyUI. I'm guessing you mean ComfyUI. Okay. Back and close. Is that what you mean? I'm confused. Alma node. Oh, Alma node. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna write that down as well. That could be a future tutorial. The Alma node. Yeah, because I got what's the one I did last? I actually did it on the command line, just pure Python and what's the name of that one? Actually, let me go check it out. I think that's like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Must be after page 3. Oh no, sorry, I lied. I apologize. I did the DeepSeek R132B model. And this is the one. This is the one that I used. So this yeah. So that's the one I did, and I think I just did it using just pure. I think I did this one just pure. What did I do here? I got Alma itself, and then I just created Python, and then I was able to so I just run it that way. That's why when you see the models folder, that's because that's DeepSeek R1, and that was the 8th. So I was right, about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so 2 weeks or so. There you go. 2 weeks and 1 day ago. What's going on here? This guy should be done. Okay, this one is done. What's this guy's doing? This is on 70 something %. So we still gotta wait, I guess, a minute or so for that one to fill. So this one is done, and this one should be finished any time now. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one as well. I think I just refresh and everything should be good to go, and we can. I'll drop this down a little bit. I'll also make sure. Yeah, I think this should be fine. The length is a little bit. Let me see what's the default frame rate for this one. I mean FPS. It's 24, so I'll probably drop this down. I'll drop that down. I might drop this down even more just to make sure that I can get something quick. I just want to make sure I can get something before I can then play around with it. This model needs long descriptive prompts. If the prompt is too short, the quality will suffer greatly. Okay, so this is the default one, I'm guessing. A woman with long hair. Oh, that's a note. Okay, I thought that was a prompt. Okay, so that's perfectly fine. I'll just use the default one. Low quality, worst quality. Oh, that's a negative prompt. Okay. All right. I'm still getting used to that kind of stuff. All right. So let's go back to. Okay, so this one. Let's prepare here for this one getting ready. So as you can see on idle, it's still 15 gigs. I don't know it's 15 gigs. I don't know what's using that. I'm not liking that. I don't know why it's not letting go of the swap space and the memory here. It's just a little bit high. And you see the CPU is barely being used. This is all OBS. I do not know why it's doing that. While that's going on, okay, so I'll leave the default, and I'll because 768 by 512, it's only 256. Am I right? It's 256 for the width more, so it shouldn't take that much longer. So I'll see the quality of this one. It's just the default, and it's done. Okay, I should stop yapping. It's done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so I'll put this here. I will. I think I can just hit run. But before I do that, I won't do anything stupid. I'll make sure this guy's up and running. I've been caught out a few times. These things usually just bump up very quickly. And I'm also pretty curious because what I want to do is I want to pay attention to the command line here. to see. Oh, actually, we can just look at the cooler. It will tell us if the GPU is being used, and you can see up here in the tab. Sorry about this open windows, but up here in the tab, it will tell us what's going on. So the CPU is going up, so something's happening. So maybe that was a blessing that that I wasn't able to download those other models. So thanks again for that. I guess those would have been a waste of time. So I'm curious about the LTX, and we'll find out how it performs. So it's still not using the GPU yet. You can see the temperature is actually going down for the dedicated GPU there. I'm gonna go check quickly on the command line to see what's going on. Nothing yet. Completely loaded. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Well, I didn't pay attention to the memory, so I'm guessing it's another problem here. You see, it actually uses the memory first. This is why I don't understand. Like, why don't you just put it in the GPU right away? So that's a real negative. So that might force me to just go direct and use something like Llama CPP, because or maybe I'll read up more on it. If anybody knows why it doesn't just use the GPU right away, it has to see, now it's using the GPU, but I'm saying is that why does it have to load it in RAM first? Why doesn't it just put it right in the GPU? Or you know what? Or at least use chunks, right? Like load, for example, instead of loading the entire model, like load maybe like a quarter of the model, then push that to the GPU, then load another quarter, push it to the GPU. I'll be okay with that too. I know it's going to be slower, but I'll be okay with that. But instead of just loading it into RAM, I just don't understand that, because it's so inefficient and the GPU never gets used. NVTop, I've never heard of that. Let me go check that out, what that is. NVTop, interactive. Well, it looks like it's for NVIDIA only. Remember, I'm using an AMD. I have an AMD. So as I said, most of this stuff is usually specific to Intel or AMD. Yeah. So I don't have it's what do you call it? It's I just have what do you call it? No, it's just regular SSDs. Okay, so what's going on here? Okay, so it's using the full GPU here. And let's go check it out, what's doing on the command line. So it's loading. Oh, so this one has 30 steps. Okay. We got 50%. Current. So between is it LTX? Oh no, so LTX V 1.2.1 and 1.2.2. Is 1.2.2 better? Okay, you know what? I like this. You see what happened here? Look at the memory. You see what happened here? I'll show this for people who are on a vertical screen. So you see what? It did dump. After it loaded the model, it actually freed up the RAM. So that is actually very good. That is actually pretty good, because it did free up the RAM. It did free up the RAM. So that's actually pretty good. So looks like this is a keeper. Yeah, so 2.1 is amazing. I think 2.1 was probably more geared toward NVIDIA as well. So as you saw, I couldn't get it to work, but maybe I'll try a smaller 2.1 model maybe something like, I don't know, 9. I think I saw a 9 or 8B because it's been around longer, so I'll try that one. So I do like this one. So I know this is going to go much faster because it left a bunch of RAM, at least 10 gigs. So that should be enough to generate the video. So that is actually pretty good. What would be really nice if it actually generated the video using the GPU, even if it produces artifacts. Because not only because it'll be faster, but that will let me do some other things at the same time. Yeah, I just use the default because it works. So yeah, obviously I can do some contenize on the 2.2. I tried a lot of stuff. As you saw, this entire article here was all on 14B. I didn't do any of that stuff in for the 5B. But I'm saying is that now that I know much more information, I have more information, I'll be able to use that next, not for this tutorial, but I say next time when I do 5B. 5B might be the one I stick to, and I'll just tweak it. I actually like this. You see, so it looks like it's sticking to the GPU. I'm actually liking that as well. It's not using the RAM yet. So let's go and see what's going on with here. Yeah, it's still using the GPU. I'm really liking this. It's not using the CPU, just except for the basic normal stuff, so I'm pretty happy with that. If it goes GPU all the way, obviously there will be more artifacts, but I'm okay with that. It's not as accurate as the CPU. I don't care. All I care about is that it's using it's better user RAM. I still don't understand why it can't clear the stuff up from the cache. But maybe I'll use the. Oh no, I can't use the free memory because that doesn't work. Okay, so we might have a winner here, depending on how long it takes. So we'll know when it's done. It will say something. If you remember before, it will say something like, what does it say before? It will say something completed. Where was the other one? Not yet. What's wrong? What's wrong? Why can't I see the... What? Oh yeah, it will say prompt executed in something. That's when it will. That's when you know it will be done. Okay, so far I do like this. So this must be some residual cache, or this will be cached or something. Oh, it says right here. I should be able to read. It says cache is 6 gig. Okay, let's see if it's still using. Oh, 74. So is it getting off the GPU here? Looks like it's getting off the GPU. Let's actually see what the percentage here. It's still in queue. Okay, 0%, whatever that means. We'll just have to wait for it to finish. I'm always extra cautious because I said I have so many. I don't want this to burn. Yeah, so it's still. It looks like it's still using the GPU a little bit. So, okay. I'm really curious to see what this will look like. And how long it takes. Now, as I said before, I'm also using the GPU to record this video. Oh, it looks like I'm not recording. Oh, okay, looks like I'm not recording. So okay, it looks like I didn't record the video. So the GPU is completely. Oh, it stopped using the GPU. You see, the GPU temperature is now in the 50s. So it has stopped using the GPU, and the CPU also temperatures seem to be going down as well. I'm wondering if it's finished. Yeah, it's finished. So that's just under 600 seconds. If my math is correct, what is that, 10 minutes? Just under 10 minutes. So let me put this one down. Let's see what it looks like. Let's go to video. Oh, wow. It actually looks like a video. Whoa! And we have a winner. Wow, 10 minutes. We have a winner, people. Wow, we actually have a winner. Unbelievable. We have a winner. And it's 24 frames per second. That's the higher than all the other videos. It's 4 seconds. So that's, yeah, one of the other videos I think was 5 or 6 seconds. But anyway, it's actually the higher resolution than the others. We do have a winner. So I might try to, so this is actually very good. Yeah, that actually looks like the template. Yeah, so 10 minutes. I see if I, so I think one of the reasons it took 10 minutes is because, again, it loads things into RAM first, and then it it puts it into CPU. So we could have saved about 1 or 2 minutes that way. But overall, is that acceptable? 10 minutes? I think the 1, 2, 5 takes, if I remember correctly, I think that takes 6 minutes. So what I'll try to do is there will be a battle royale between the one 5B and this one LTX. And you told me that there's also a there's the poly updates for them. So yeah, I get 6-second video on the 4090 in under 2 minutes. Yeah, so so 2.2. Is that using 5B or using 14B? Oh, 2.1 in under 2. Really, 2.1. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna put a note here, and I'm gonna put here try. What's the other one I'm gonna put? I'm gonna put here and I say try to. What is the size? What's the resolution for those videos you get in like a minute, in a few minutes? 2.2 B quantized 14B. Okay. Okay, all right. How much RAM do you have? I know you told me how much RAM it uses, but how much RAM do you have on your system? What's your total RAM? Oh, 480. Oh, 480p. Okay, so 480p. I'll try that as well. Here I'll say 40p. Around, I'll say 2 minutes for above models. Okay, that's what I thought. With 128 gig. But you said, I think you said you have DDR4, right? You have DDR4. So you have DDR4. So yeah, I do have 2 slots open, so I can probably get a couple of sticks. I can probably get some two 32 gig sticks. I think they also have 64 sticks, but yeah, I'll probably just get one. It should be enough. All right, so I am pretty happy with the, yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way this video came out. Although it did take 10 minutes. That's so one thing I did notice is by looking at the RAM usage, it definitely looks like this one. I think it might actually load in chunks, because I was surprised how, if the memory went up to like 20, was it 24 or something, 23, and then it immediately it was immediately pushed it to the GPU and slowly went down. So meaning that this model is exactly what I was saying. It looks like it. What do you need to reduce your LoRa's? I do use that in the 5B. there are two of them. One is for the high noise and one is for the low noise. Those are there in the, or maybe I might be talking out of my what you know. So let's go back here. So I said I just use the default. Is that what you also use? Do you also use the default? What do you call it? Do you also use the default? All I do is just use the default. The only time I tried to tweak stuff was when I was getting frustrated when I got this the GGUF model, and I was goofing around. I mean, not goofing around. I was trying all the different things. So all I do is, you see here, everything is just. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. So as you can see, I said everything is just the default. And when we go here to the LoRa's, as you can see, the light, it's light X2V, light X2V. Oh, what am I doing? You can actually see them here as well. You can see they're also here. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Oh, use the wrapper. Okay. So the wrapper was from Kijai. This one here, is that where you got it from? As I said, oh yeah, here we go. I answered my own question. Okay, so here we go. Native one video node. So yeah, so what I'll do is I'll definitely will try this, and we will. Oh, there's also a GitHub page here. Perfect. So yeah, definitely. Oh, for me, some GitHub page. So definitely I will, yeah, I'll definitely take a look here. Thanks for that. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for some sources because I knew, because I saw like a Reddit thread when I decided to go to ComfyUI. People were saying that, you know, they have like 4 gigs of, what do you call it? 4 gigs of VRAM, right? And they have like 8 gig on their laptop, and they're able to produce videos on WAN 2.1. And I'm thinking, oh, this is fantastic. Because I'm like, I have way more RAM than they do, even though the available RAM is probably around 22. And then I was saying my VRAM is, I have the entire 32. So I'm like, oh man, I should be able to generate videos, no problem. So I was surprised. The 5B worked, so I was like, okay. I didn't tweak it too much. I was like, okay, let's try the 14B, and the 14B was it's disappointing. But thanks to you, I will be able to I'll be able to try. Thanks for these resources. So I'll be able to try this as well. So I'm not sure if I can do this tomorrow, but the weather is actually pretty bad here, so I might do another live night stream. I'm really excited because of the LTX. I didn't even so there are things I can clearly try. So let's go back to the, what is that one here? So what I did learn so far from this fail is that which one was it here? Where are you? I can't even remember which one was it? Oh yeah, the girl. Yeah, there we go. Lady. So I know, like, obviously you can fool around with the what do you call this? The length, the width and height. But the width and height, I'm pretty happy. It came out pretty well. And then you can also tweak these settings here, like the number of steps. And then the noise stuff here as well, the CFG, you can make it a little bit lower or higher. I'm happy with the way this came out, so I might actually go a little bit lower, and that will speed things up. And clearly also the frame rate, you know, I can drop this down, and then that will also produce more yeah, correct. Okay, all right. So yeah, unfortunately, as I said, I don't know why I don't know why it doesn't just like you know what it is. I think if I mean, I also read how you can also do your own create your own nodes from scratch. So maybe what I'll do is I might look at a basic node and see one of the loading ones, and see if For example, like this one, the LTX, the way it does it is like, you see, it does load it in chunks and immediately puts it onto the GPU. And despite it being bigger than the other, so I think if I'm going to hold off doing everything on the command line using Llama CPP. I think what I'll do is I'll try to find something that can use WAN, and yeah, exactly. So if it can load the model in chunks, and then it obviously, I said it will be a little bit slower, but I'm saying if it frees up the RAM, like the way this one did, you see the last step will be much faster. So yeah, I don't understand why it likes to keep the stuff in the memory. It doesn't make any sense, because it's not going to be the grunt part is all going to be done by the GPU anyway. I don't know why it does that. It's very inefficient. Like I said, I'm willing to wait a little bit longer when it's breaking it down in chunks and passing it to the GPU, because I said the GPU can handle it. You guys saw here today, the GPU did all the heavy lifting. It did obviously the thinking, and it also looks like it also generated the video. Now, if you saw, there was a few little artifacts, so I'm saying I'm okay with that, because I'll trade that up anytime instead of waiting like half an hour or whatever, because I'm running low on instead of using the CPU for that. Oh, I have another question for you. What is your CPU? Is it Intel or AMD? What CPU do you have? Yeah, that might help me as well. As I said, I want to also eliminate that step as well. I have a feeling that this AI generation, it's tweaked toward Intel CPUs and NVIDIA GPUs. Yeah, exactly. So I expected that. I'll tell you why I expect that. For example, when I run simple command like ffmpeg, even though, as I said, even any AI stuff, like, what I noticed is it struggles on the AMD, even the CPU, even though it's way more powerful than my old one. Remember, it's an Intel i7 2600 from 2011. What I noticed is that the fan will kick in and the temperatures go way up, and that never happened on the Intel. So I think that there's some magic going on in there, which is specific only to Intel CPUs and NVIDIA GPUs. So it will probably take a very long time for AMD to be respected enough that they also all the tweaks and everything for AMD work with AI. But overall, I'm happy with the way I'm really happy with today's that I was actually able to produce a result that actually looks like the template one. And thanks to you again, Point, for pointing me to and finding that link, which I'll definitely be checking it out. So this is great news. It means that video generation is possible on a budget. You don't need to get like some super expensive, especially when you're in Canada. I don't know about where you are, but here in Canada, oh boy, the GPUs are through the roof. The prices, new and used, they're through the roof. They're so ridiculous. That's why I had to get like this used one. It actually came from China, believe it, of all places, and it's still way cheaper than AMD, Intel, or NVIDIA. It's just crazy. If you guys want to check out how much you get ripped off here, if you ever go to the Canadian version of PC Part Speaker, I think it's ca.pc Part Speaker, and no matter what country you're in, for example, if you're in the States, take the Canadian price and then put it into the USD to Canadian dollar, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's ridiculously overpriced, even old stuff. Like I was on eBay, and eBay for some reason it's like geo restricting as well, and I put in some GPU that came out say like 8 years ago, right? It's like 8 gigs or 4 gig. They're ridiculously overpriced. it's just insanity. So that's why I said I bought the used one. Whether I have to pay the duties, taxes, anything like that, it still ends up being a much better deal. Like I'm pretty happy with everything here. All right, so again, very happy with that one. Thanks to you again. So what I will do is next up, it might even be tomorrow. I'll let you guys know later. What I might do is, so the LTX is definitely a winner. What I'll try, and the one 2.25B, that one is it's so far it's way better than the 2.244B because for that reason. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try another one, one of the 2.1s. So something like maybe even this one. I don't know how big that one is. I'll check it out. I'm hoping there's one which, and plus I'll also go to the link he provided. What I want to do is maybe I'll find a way where, as I said, the model is broken up into chunks when it's loading to the CPU. Then it offloads to the GPU, and then it removes the just like the LTX. So clearly it's possible because LTX did it. You guys saw it, right? You actually saw the memory went up to 224, and then when it was in GPU, the memory went back down. So that's fantastic. That means that it is capable. So I wasn't crazy, right? Some people might thought I was crazy, but it is capable. Now, the other thing I want to do as well is obviously I'm still working on some tweaks because clearly 10 minutes is too long because I said the GPU is quite capable of doing way better than that. So there's still some optimizations that need to be done. And as you saw with the temperature, we'll go back here. The temperature here was about 60. It was just below 60. So that told me that the CPU wasn't being utilized that much. And the GPU, the temperature as you saw was surprisingly like in the low 70s. So that tells me there's still room for improvement, if you know what I mean, right? So usually for the other stuff, this one usually goes up to 80, about 82. So meaning that there's still room to do some tweaking, and same with the CPU. So both of them can be utilized. But other than that, I'm very happy with the way that worked. So one more time, I'm not going to remove 2.2 yet. I'm still going to leave it there. And I'm going to hold off on getting more RAM or NVMe drive because I will test some more stuff. I'll get some models. There's one thing I don't understand. For example, when you go here, it always says like download the JSON file, and it said drag it. Okay, I'm so dumb. It says just drag it into there. So let's see if I can try this. So this one here, I hope this is a pretty small file, and wrapper nodes for when video work in progress. Why should I use custom modes when it works? Yeah, so I can answer that question. So we can read it together. It says, why should I use custom modes when one video works natively? Short answer, unless it's a mode or feature not available yet on native, you shouldn't. Due to the complexity of ComfyUI core code and my lack of coding experience, in many cases it's far easier and faster to implement new models and features to a standard wrapper. So this is a way to test things relatively quickly. I consider this my personal sandbox, which is obviously open to everyone, play with without having to worry about complexity or compatibility issues. But as such, this code is always a work in progress and prone to issues. Also, not all new models end up being worth the trouble to implement the core Comfy, though I've also made some patcher nodes to allow them to use the native workflows such as ATI node available in this wrapper. This is also the end goal. Idea isn't to compete or even offer alternatives to everything available in the native workflows. All that said, it's clearly not salespeople. I do appreciate everyone using this note to explore new releases and possibilities with one video. Okay, so it looks like all I need to do is clone it, into the customs folder. So you know what, I'll do that because I showed you screenshots of where I did that earlier before. All you do is you clone it there, and you then you run this pipe install requirements text, or if you use the portable install, you can run this in the ComfyUI portable installer. So I believe I should also be able to do this using the model manager, right? I think all I do is just take the URL, and it should be able to do that as well, I believe. So let's go try that. We tried both ways. No? Oh no, I'm not on stream. I'm just on pure Linux. Don't worry. I'm not on stream. Okay, so we can try this. So I'll grab the. I'm not sure if I grabbed the code or the. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I have so much stuff open here. Do I all need all this? Okay, I don't need this one. Okay, I can actually close the cooler right now because I can close this one. I can close this one as well. Okay, those two are fun. Oh, this one I don't need. Okay, that's a little bit better. So get rid of this, go to the manager and custom nodes manager, or install missing custom nodes. Okay. Oh, install via git URL. This is what I was trying to say. So click install via git URL. Oh, it's right here already. I don't even need to. Okay, I don't need. Okay, it's ready right here. So I don't even need to. Install this one. So I can just install this one. Yeah. So there we go. So there we go. I was actually going to install using the git URL, but it looks like it's already here. So I'll install it right here. I didn't have to search for it. It's right here. Okay, so I hit install, and then the latest I'm guessing going to be 1.36. So I'll click select, and you see it opens up the term. Is that a web terminal or real terminal? Looks like it's a web terminal. And it says to apply the missing customer, please restart ComfyUI. So I'll hit restart. You sure you want to reboot? Yeah, that's fine. You can reboot. So we go to the command line here, and you can see what it did here. It's restarting it. What version of? Oh yeah, that's a version of Python. I'm curious what version of Python I actually have. So just type Python -version. Oh, it's hype. Some of them have 2 hyphens. Yeah, so it is 3.317. So there we go. So it rebooted, and it's ready. So why is it fetching the data again? Do you know how to stop this? This is one thing that might make me stop using the ComfyUI manager. Why does it keep on fetching it if it's already done? That I don't understand. See, I've set it to 1-day cache. That's what was suggested. But how do I stop it so I can do it manually? Like, I don't mind doing it once a day. I can do it manually. I just like when it does stuff like that. Okay. So that's ComfyUI manager. The version I'm using is 0.3.62. I guess it can update itself, and you can also restart. One thing that's weird about ComfyUI, it's that as great as it is, the weird thing is there's no like shutdown, right? Oh yeah, so that is one of the weird looking things. No, what I'm saying is that I run it like you said, I ran it earlier today. Why doesn't it remember that it doesn't need to update again until say tomorrow, right? That's the thing that is a little bit annoying about it. So other than that, it's so that's how now that I have that manager, since we're here, okay, these are logs. Why can't I minimize this? Oh, it's from here. Okay, do I just click there? Okay, there we go. All right. No, that's the wrong one. So where is it then? Is it a template? Where do I find the wrapper? Do I search for it, or where is it? Is it a template? Oh, it's a video. What's wrong with me? Jeez. Well, what if a node pack is found to be malicious? It's looking for the repos. No, what I do is Okay, okay, I get your point. I get your point. All right, I get your point. But what I'm saying is that for me, remember, I'm using a virtual. I'm using a virtual. What do you call it? I'm using a virtual Python environment. So everything is containerized. I was actually going to put this in Podman, a Podman container, but it's fine. But yeah, I do get your point. Yeah, if it has malicious stuff, yeah, it can do some damage. Okay, so I do get your point, because even if it's on GitHub and people can look at it, most people don't look at it. Look at me. Look what I did today. I went and I just started just downloading stuff. I didn't even I just I didn't even check to make sure that they were they were not malicious. So I guess you're right. So maybe that way it's a good thing. All right. Good point. Very good point. But my point's still here. Is it in templates, the wrapper? So how do I use the wrapper then? Do I just delete everything and start from scratch? Is that how we do it? Why so many? Oh yeah, that's why you need all this. So much stuff open here. Save changes. No. 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 Type wrapper in the search template. Okay, so I did. You see templates? Here in the search templates, I typed wrapper. Oh, I think I know what I have to do. I have to do a refresh. I remember this. So you have to do a refresh. I think I have to do a refresh, then it will show up. Now if I go to the templates and I type wrapper, it should show up now, right? Yeah, there we go. So you know how I know that? Because I said when I was testing that 14B model, I did so much stuff. Like I said, I'm probably an expert with the expert with that kind of stuff. Okay, so here we go. So this is the one I'm guessing you did, the 480p. When video, this is the one, 12p. Or go to your ComfyUI custom nodes examples for. Oh, okay. So ComfyUI, no checkpoints. We go to what do you say? UI. Get out of here. Stop it. Oh, custom nodes. ComfyUI wrapper, this one. Examples folder. Oh, that's E. Sorry about that. I'm guessing this one, example workflows. So yeah, here are all the JSON files. Okay, all right, cool. Okay, I wrote that before you found those. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, no problem. Thanks. No, I figured out. Okay, and then so okay, cool. So for example, I just click this one and that's it. So let's click this one, example 3, and then it says when loading the graph, the following nodes were not found. This may also happen if your installed your version is lower than the node type can be found. So okay, so then I go to manager and I hit install missing custom nodes. Yeah, okay, so let's try that. Oh, it does find them. Okay, so is there select all, and is there install all? Oh, install. Okay, there we go. First time doing this as well. Okay, and you can see it has a little log in the background, so it also needs to restart. Okay, we hit restart again, confirm, and just check on the command line what's going on. So checkpoint files will be loaded, and then you can see up there. In case some of you didn't catch this, I'll show you this again. You see it says AMD Radeon graphics, so you see it says the VRAM is 32 gigs and the total RAM is 28, and I said this is actually not quite correct, because I said because of the way the system is, it says 28 because the iGPU reserves 4 gigs, but I'm saying it doesn't actually have access to the entire 28 here, because I'm running things, and you guys, as you saw, there's also the ZRAM. So GFX 960, some people asked about this. The GFX 906, that's the dedicated GPU. When it says 90C, that's the integrated GPU. I think the C stands for CPU, but I'm not sure about that. Yeah, so it found it, everything is fine. So the other thing I might do, you see the touch part here. This one is for the audio, touch audio. That one is because that's specifically hard-coded to NVIDIA. So I'll need to find, I'll need to install, I have to find a version that's specific to AMD and not NVIDIA. Okay, so everything is fine. Again? Come on! Literally. Oh, I remember now. So this is the coding logic. I want to show you guys if you ever want to get into programming. So this ComfyUI manager, it assumes that anytime you start the ComfyUI, it's the first time you're starting it for the day, which is clearly wrong, because as you guys saw, this is the 4th time I've started it today, including the earlier stuff in the first live stream. So the simple fix for this is, because it has some type of a database, it could be a file, it should actually save and say, look, oh, I don't know, 5 hours ago I did a check, so I'm not going to check for, I don't know, 24 hours, right? Hey, I would even be okay if it actually saved the date and time, but I'm saying is, I think just having a creating a file for itself will be perfectly fine. But that's okay. I'm not going to poo-poo that part. So we go back here and you can see it reconnected right away. So we minimize this log. And now, so I'm looking at the size here. Where is the size? Is it 640 by 640, I'm guessing? Or 624? Oh yeah, it says height and width. Oh no, is that the oh, it says resize. Okay, I'm guessing that's 624 by 624. And what else we have here? I'm trying to see the FPS. So you reduce the VRAM, you go to block swap and put it to 40. Just a second, where is the... Wow, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay. Reduce the VRAM. So you said to reduce the VRAM, you go to block swap node and put it to 40. Block swap node. Oh, here we go. Block swap arguments. So am I close? I don't see it. Top left. And this one here, the touch compile. And this one here, right? Click on the green dot. I'm confused. What green dot? You mean this guy? Laura? Pull it outward. Blocks, yeah, the blocks, okay, I got it. So I take this, and I put it in here. Okay. Then it goes up, right? Like this. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. So where does this go? Oh, I'm guessing. Oh, here we go. This one, right? Oh, why did not work? Okay, that's not working. Let go. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Okay, so let's put it here. Go on. Over here. So go here. It will show a list of. Oh, okay. Okay, I understand. Okay, got you. Ah, come on. So click here. Oh. Yeah. Okay. All right. And then it will show a list of recommended nodes. So Comfy, yeah, so that was the top one. That's the one I tried to go to, the ComfyUI wrapper. So do I click this one here, the WAN video touch compile settings, or reroute? Reroute, primitive. Oh, you know what? Okay, so I'll click this one. Okay, okay, that's what I thought. Okay, so let's delete this one. I'll try it again. Okay, which one do I try? The reroute or the primitive? You drag. Oh, okay. All right, I got you. Got you. Oh, okay. All right, thanks. You're right. So I got it. Thanks for that. Okay. Oh, so the block swap. I got it. So block swap, right? Okay, so block. Okay, so here we go. And you said what? You said 40, I believe. I put it to 40. Okay, so I'll put this one to 40. Okay, so that's it. You dragged. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. So actually, let me write this down because I will. What is this? So this was the WAN wrapper. Then add or drag. I will write this down so I don't forget. Drag from web video model loader block swap X, then add when video block swap set to 40 from default 20. Okay, got it. So that's it. So then I just hit run. That's it. Okay. Oh, I can't do that yet. So I need to restart. Let's go back here. I need to restart the. Where is the command line here? I need to restart the fan control. Oh, looks like the fan control is already running. Oh, okay, it's still running. Okay, great. Just need to remember what URL that was. I think it was 11 something. Yeah, there was 1987. Okay. So again, I don't need you. I don't need you. The one I need is actually system computer fan 2. System fan 2, I mean. So be ready to change this to 50 and hit run. Check your models. Okay. The model loader is using the 148p, but I didn't download this. So do I have to download this model? The model are loaded from. I don't have this model, so I have to manually. Should I use the manual? There we go. So model manager. Oh, I don't remember what the name of the model is. Yeah, so I definitely don't have this model. So I need to grab that. Okay, so what's it? It's one video 2.1. Can I copy this? Yeah, see, I don't have it. That's what I was thinking. I definitely don't have that model, so I need to grab. Oh, thank you for that. So I should actually. Why can't I copy this? Oh, I remember. I think I clicked here. No, there's something I did earlier where I converted this to text. Where is that? How do I copy this? This models are loaded from the conf. Yes, I know, but I want to copy this name so I can search for it. Oh man. How do I convert this to text again? I did something earlier where I clicked somewhere and everything converted to text and I was able to copy it. Why can't I do that again? It's not exactly sure how to use the, but I know it's possible. Yeah. So, oh man, I wish I could. Oh, mode, is it mode? No, that's not it. Properties. Oh, there we go. Properties will give me the model. No, it doesn't. Oh man, properties pane. Nope. That's not what I want. There's something I did. I was like I was doing something earlier today and I clicked somewhere and it converted everything to text and it was easy to copy right there. Now I can't copy this guy. So, oh man. Shoot. All right, I have to write it down. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. And oh, you know what? I just realized I'm so dumb. There's an easier way. So which one did I pick? I picked the 480p. So if I look for here, it's a JSON file. I can simply copy it from here. Don't make me go to the command line. Come on. Okay, fine. I'll just go to the command line here, and I'll just grab. Oh no, I will list them. List the one. So it was the four. This one, the example 3. Here we go. That's the one. And I'll show you guys a little trick. If you ever want to read JSON files, if you use any Mozilla Firefox based browser, you can simply just drag it. Oops. Okay, I think I have to put a list view because I don't remember. What is the name of that one again? It was 480. So that's it. Yeah, here we go. This one. So what you do is just drag it into any browser that's Firefox based. Oh, okay, this one doesn't work. Looks like I really need to use Firefox. In just a second. I think I have Firefox somewhere. Here we go. So I do have Firefox here. I should simply be able to drag. Here, I should be able to drag it right into there. There we go. So if you use Firefox, it will show you. It will show you in a prettier way. So we want the model. Oh, don't tell me it's not going to show the model. What is the model style? I think it's one video. Let's search for that. One. What's the search? When. Or is it when? That's lowercase. When video. Underscore. Oh, what is it? So okay, it's one video one. Oh, it doesn't exist. Oh, this must be coming from somewhere else. Oh, that's okay. So it looks like I have to search for it the hard way. Okay, fine. I thought I would be smart. One video. Is that a slash? Oh, that's a slash. Okay, so I was looking. It looks like I was doing the wrong thing. So it's just 2.112. Oh, okay. Thanks for that. Okay, thanks for letting me know. Okay, so is it a GGUF model? So I just go and search. Oh, wait a minute. So is it? Model 3. Does he have it here as well, or I have to search it from somewhere else? Wait, what? There's 82 spaces. Why can't I? How do I? Okay. Just a second. You guys can't see this. It's engine model and I can use the mono manager. Yeah, that's the booleans. I thought I had this page open earlier. Okay, so let's go back there. Booleans and search for we're going to search for when 2.1 12t text to video text, this one. So do I get the this one here, the 14b? Is that the one you use? All W. Looks like there's only that one. So okay. So what I'll do is I'll get. Looks like this 12b is the only one. Okay, so I'll just get the 12 text to video 12b. And we want this sensors. Okay, and oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I see what you mean. That's why you told me to. Okay, I got you. This person will definitely have it. So GGF 14b. Okay, where is? Oh, that's not what I want. Come on. Let's go to booleans again. And well, okay, so no, I know, I got it. So when 2.1 PGUF, that work? Okay, so there's CD96. There's this one. I guess I can grab. Yeah, so I'll just grab this one. No, that's image to text. That's not what I want. 2.1 14b and okay, oh, the 23. Okay, so there's 23 results. Okay, let's go check those 23 results. So that's 16 gigs, so that's massive. We're looking for 12b. Here we go. This one is 16 gigs, so this one will work, right? Yeah, this one. No, so I keep on forgetting. What do you call it? It's image to image to. What I want is something like this one. This is a text to, so text to video. So city, okay, so city. So this one here, did I grab this one? Let me make sure it's, it doesn't say. Yeah, so it doesn't say, no, this one, the city, I think it's a little bit of a delay, maybe you're not seeing this. I'm actually on the city one here. Oh, there's this one here too, text to video 14B GGUF. So here we go, I can grab this one. Yeah, text to video, first one. This one, oh, this one here. You know, that one says I though, that's image to video. But this one is text, I thought we're grabbing text to video. Right? It's text to video. This one here, text to video. Right? Or the sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, text to video. Oh, that's a small one. Okay. All right. So, oh, that's a much. Thanks for that. That's actually really small. Okay, so I'll grab that one. Okay, so let's download that one. And oh, now I have to grab this stuff. So I think it was KM, yeah, this one KM. No, oh, okay, well, okay, all right, okay, why not? Okay, no, okay, no, okay, which one should I get then? Okay, all right, okay, if you insist. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, not there, but you're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a one. Okay, so okay, I got it. So you want me to get a 14B model? Okay, so what about this one here? 2.1 text to video. This one, number 3, right? And 11 5-bit K, this one here. Okay, all right, yeah, okay, I got it. So hit download, and yeah, I'll just hit download. So if you guys are wondering why I picked the yeah, the Q4, well, the Q5 is supposed to be slightly better. Yeah, Q5 is supposed to be slightly better than the Q4, so that's why I. So what I'm saying is, if you want to know why I picked the Q5 KM model, I explained it in today's tutorial. So let me get rid of this. I explained it in today's tutorial somewhere here. The differences between the Q, K, and M's. It's all installed right here. The suffixes. So they are explained here. The letters denote the subversions within the bit depth. For example, it says here Q4 underscore K. There's a medium, offers the best quality, speed, and quality. That's why I said I picked the M. And the S is for small. It's for maximum compression. And then I also go into deeper. For example, this was for the this particular model, the 2 point what is it? 2 point. What can I speak today? 2.2 text to video. So as you can see, the Q5 is a little bit bigger normally, but and I said it should fit no problem into the 32 gigs of VRAM as well. So this is why I decided to choose the high noise and low noise for that particular WAN 2.0. So I said I do explain all that if you understand why I picked even today why I picked the Q5 KM. That's the reason I said I do explain it in today's the tutorial I did earlier today. The video is up. It was a live stream, so the video is clearly up there, and I forgot. No, I did. What did I do today? Oh yeah, I did record it, and it was put on all the all the other channels, the BitChute, Rumble, Odyssey, and obviously YouTube. This particular live stream is not being recorded, so okay. Oh, I didn't realize it actually. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. It actually did record. I just saw a message in OBS. It said that there's insufficient space, so it looks like half of it was recorded. But I think what I'll do is I'll just wait for YouTube or one of these channels to finish. Then I'll grab it from there, and I will create. Actually, maybe I can. You know what? I can probably. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'll just put up the video. I guess the video will be for 2 days from 2 days from now. The short version of the video. Okay, so how long is this going to take? It says about 10 minutes, so that should be good. All right. So while that's downloading, it will let me know when it's done here. I don't have notifications. So is there anything else I need to download as well? What about this this one here? This do I need to download this one as well? 2.1. I think I do. Do I have this one? Oh, okay. So that one I downloaded. That was okay. So that one is going to work. I downloaded that from. The funniest thing is I used 2.2. The model for this tutorial I did earlier today. It actually is 2.1, so that's perfectly fine. The VA loader. Yeah. So that's fine. I don't need to do it. And this one as well. Do I need to download this one? It looks like. Oh, it looks like I don't. It looks like it's already there, so that's fantastic. So I don't need to download. Looks like I don't need to download anything else because it was probably from all the models when I was testing the GUF. So yeah, lucky. But you still need to select the ones in your folders. No, it pre-selected this one. What I'm saying is this one here. I will need to yeah, no problem. So I can do that. I mean if this works pretty well, obviously in the future when I download stuff, I will put them in. I'll put it in the right spot. Model 1 video. Do I have to put it in the one video? No, I don't have to. I can just select it again. I just need to remember when if I put it somewhere else, I just need to pre-select it, put it there. Okay, so let's see if it created that WAN folder. Where is that? Where is the WAN folder? Let's go back to the folder view. Oh, this is an example, so I'm guessing it's not going to be here. We go back to the wrapper. Hope there's no WAN folder here. Does it expect me to? Oh, there's one video. Don't tell me, does it expect me to put the stuff here? That doesn't make any sense. And I'll just put it in the other place so it's easier in case like this gets deleted or something. Yeah, so I think what I'll do is I'll just put it in that folder, just easier to manage. If I need to delete stuff, I did it in one space, because if I get rid of this, unlikely, but if I do, if it updates, I don't want it to mess up anything here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'll put it in the diffusion or diffusion. I think it's diffusion models. Where are we here? ComfyUI models. I think it's diffusion models. Yeah, it goes here. Diffusion models. Diffusers is some it goes in diffusion models. It goes in here. As I said, I downloaded when I was testing a whole bunch of stuff. I did you see I did high noise and low noise. I put that stuff in here. So this is for the 5B one, and then for the 2.2 the other I slapped them in there. Actually no, why not? Needs to go to the into the net folder. Oh yeah, good point. So it goes into the unet folder, this one here. Yeah, that's for the UF. It will go, wait. So what am I downloading then? Oh, wait. Don't I need to download? No, I don't need to download anything. So you confuse me. So I already have these. It looks like I already have these. Yeah, so it looks like I already have this, so I don't need to. Yeah, so I was right. I don't need to download this. These ones are the ones I need to download. It's just the. Oh, thanks for that. I think what is that one I installed? I got the loader. You see here when I think double click. Yeah, you see if I type gguf. What the hell? Okay. gguf. You see, I already have the unit loader. I installed that. Already installed that one. If there's any other nodes, yeah, no problem. I can get it to download it itself, or I can I can download it myself. But I think I can use the ComfyUI manager. I'm getting comfortable using it. So what is this percent? This one left. Okay, so it looks like it's about 5 minutes. I don't know why it's so slow. Like it's never this slow. It's usually super fast. Like usually, I don't know. Maybe. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's because I never download anything at night. I always download stuff during the day. Maybe it just works better. Maybe at night, I don't know. Maybe it goes to sleep, or they're doing some updates. This SpaceX Starlink, but usually it's really fast. It's not as slow as you guys said. It's always super fast. And as you go, I'm not downloading and anything else except for that. I'm surprised why it's a little bit slow. Now I'm saying it found this model, so I guess you see it found all the models. So I guess it doesn't matter where you put them. It did find them. You can see like it found the low noise, high noise, and it found this one. These are all in different. See, if you can put it in the UTF folder, but it looks like the best place to put it is to be consistent. It needs to go. You see, it found the safe sensors. So I'll put it in diffusion because it is. No, sorry. The gguf, I put it in unet folder. It will automatically find it right here. So, but it looks like I can put it anywhere. It will find it anyway. So it doesn't really matter. But I want to be consistent. So I'm going to put the gguf models there. When this guy is done, it will go there. So this looks like it's almost done. You see that? It said 5 minutes, and then I talked for like what 40 seconds, and then it's done. Okay, so alright, so now I should just drag it into, I'm going to drag it into this folder. So we'll go to our downloads. Where's our downloads? It's SSD to SSD, so it shouldn't take too long. I could do it on the command line, that would actually be faster. Oops, that's the wrong one. Yeah, so this is it here. It's finished. I just cut it and now dump it into here. Okay. Yeah, I should have used the command line. Look how slow that is. Should have used the command line. Okay, we don't need the downloads. Oh, I think I need to do a refresh. Okay. Okay, so it's finished. Get this out of here. I don't think it's gonna find it. Nope. I need to do a refresh. Let's see the refresh here. Reload. Yep. So, oh, here the model. Push out to refresh models. Okay, thanks for that. And here, where is yeah, it's the first one here. You see it's the 2.1 TV. It found it, so there we go. Okay, so oh, I forgot this JSON. Just follow instructions. Follow instructions. Okay. So anything else? I think that's it, right? I think that's actually it. Let me zoom out. Yeah, I believe that's it. There's nothing else. I still don't understand where is the FPS and stuff like that. Did I miss it, or maybe it's not? Oh, frame rate right there. Okay, frame rate. It's set. Oh, that's a big one. It's set to 15. It's set to 15 frames per second. It's going to be H.264, which is perfectly fine. Currently, you're using text or image. Okay. Where's the prompt? Prompt is text and code. An old man is stroking his beard thoughtfully. Oh, you know what? I'm an old man. Can I just upload a new? I don't have a. So all I need is just one image. Is that it? You know what? That's fine. I do have a. I'm an old man. I do have an image of myself, so that's fine. I can. That red box. Yeah. What about it? Oh, thanks for that. Oh, the question mark. So what's this one? So can I use this one then? The VA. You download it. Oh. Okay. I understand what I got what you mean. Oh, I understand what you mean. So what he's saying is I downloaded the wrong. I downloaded the wrong model. The one I downloaded was the text to video. When this 4080. Oh, it says right there. How did I miss that? It actually says right there. It says what do you call it? It says image to video. So that will not work. Let me see what. And he says I also downloaded the model was the. Oh, the model I downloaded was the text to video. That's basically what I want to do, text to video. So I think what I can do is there another, just drag in a different work. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. I want to use a different workflow. Okay, so let's go here, back to wrapper, ComfyUI wrapper, and I'm going to look for something else. Oh, I can probably use a search as well. So let's see if there's a search. What's I'm looking for? Text to video. Oh, there's even one for 5B, which I already have. There's this one, text to video one. Okay, so what? Okay, I guess it doesn't matter. So let's try this one, text to video example 3. 2 point. Did it say anything else? Let me go back. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't read that part properly. So T2V long 14B whatever, and 5B. Yeah, this is the one I grabbed, but it doesn't say anything. It doesn't say if it's 2.1 or 2.2. It doesn't say anything, so that's why I picked that one. Okay, so I think I already have this one. The models are loaded from the ComfyUI's model text sensors. Okay, and here we go. It found the it's using the 14B. Says models are loaded from the ComfyUI models diffusion model, so it found it automatically, so I don't have to do anything. Or do I have to pick it? Looks like I have to pick it. 2.12B. Okay, looks like I do have to pick the model. Oh, okay, there we go. And okay, so it's gonna be here. I did. Yeah, I did. See, I did select it. I did select it here. You have to pick them all. Okay, I do understand. That's why I'm looking. Yeah, I'm looking to make sure I grab. For example, this one looks like it did. It grabbed this one, the UT5, so that's fine. I grabbed that one. The var text. Is that down or up? What am I doing? I should actually make this bigger so I can see better. Zoom out a little bit. Okay. Yeah, so I already picked this one here, the text encoder. Just to show you again, you see it's already selected this one, the one on the bottom, so that's the scaled one, that's fine. I picked the GGF here. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I need to pick. Looks like that's it. This one only has two things, which I did. Oh, there's this one here. It says the VA. Oh, yeah, right. So sorry about that. The VA, I'm using 2.1. And what's the other thing you said? The text encoder I already picked. Yeah, the text encoder down there, VA encoder here, and then the model right here. Now, what was that thing we did earlier today? It was the block swap. This one doesn't seem to have the does this one do I have to do that the block swap as well? Yeah, I'm trying to find is it here or am I crazy? I don't see it. Oh, here, this one? Oh. Is this connected? Oh, it's already connected. Oh, so okay, so this one is already connected. All I have to do is just change it from 20 to 40. Okay. Okay, that's even better for me. Okay, cool. So that's it. Well, what about this light one? Do I have to change this one? Oh yeah, I need to change the light one here. So what size is this one? Does it tell me? That's a new way to connect it. That's fine. Yeah, no, it was already auto connected. I didn't do anything. It was already auto connected. I just had to change it. So this one here, it looks like I have two. I have the light one and the high one. I have low and high. For two. Okay, that's what I was hoping I don't have to do. Okay, so for 2.1. Okay, keep on forgetting that. So let's go back to so we have to go back here and look for so this is C. I should actually copy so let me actually write this down too so I don't forget for future. So light X, so we search for light X, your third tab, in here. Okay. Oh, does he already have it? Okay, so light X works. Where to? Model search 48. Okay. 2.1 distill. Kaji has it in the. Oh my god, has it in the folder LoRa's. Okay, so let's go back to Kaji and we go to. Don't use searches. So yeah, I'm getting it now. Okay, so right, so in the LoRa's. Did I go in the wrong one? Yeah, I'm here. I'm in files now. Oh, this one, Light X2V. Light X2V. So which? Okay, I don't even know which one. Just a second. Oh, where was I? So we need 2V14B. Yeah, it says so 2V, oh, text to video, of course, 14B. So okay. So, but this is the confusing one. There's so many of them. I'm not sure which one. Yeah, it doesn't rank 64 on that page. Rank. So this one here. Oh, okay. Rank 64. Okay, so I will. Okay, this is a pretty small file. So I'll click. Is this download? Okay, download. Thanks again for helping me out. Okay, so this won't take too long. And okay, so and now I need to decide where I should put this one. Oh, is there a light folder? See if there's a light folder here. Oh, I should, let me see, where, does it tell me where the other ones, oops. Okay, it was the light, the noise stuff, so I don't even remember where those ones were. Were they in checkpoints? No. It wasn't control net, it's not diffusers. Oh, LoRa's. Ha! LoRa, oh, thank you, yeah, I did get it. Okay, here we go. This is open up in this here, and I'll just drag, I'll copy this, or just cut it and paste it in here. Okay, and then now I can simply, that's not the one I want. Again, oh, you said R, right? So I type R to reload. So R. Oh, okay, that's good to know. And then we pick, there we go, we picked that one. Yeah, I did. I got that. So actually I should write that down as well. That's another trick to know. And then R to reload models. Cool, that's a nice trick to know. So you guys are also learning this if you're still watching. So anything else? Why does this have this question mark here? In this red part, I guess, control center. Okay, control. enter. Okay, whatever that is. Okay. All right. So now I can just hit run. I believe, yeah, I got everything there. So just a quick before I get this running, it's gonna run, the number of frames is 81, which is fine. Remember the frame rate, I did see it somewhere else here. Right, so where did I see the frame rate? Oh, the seeds, everything is all here. That looks all fine. I know some of this stuff as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna I'll look for it. I'm just gonna start now because I don't know how long this will take. So let me make sure I'm ready with my cooler here. Yeah, yes I am. Okay, hit run. Oh, okay. You go to the text. I did. The text. Here's the text encoder. You see, it says it found two of them. You see, it found the T5 XL and it found this one. Oh, okay. So okay, I got you. So I thought I didn't realize I actually okay. So I'll make sure I write that down as well. I literally need to actually select them even if it's pre-selected. Okay, select models even if they are shown. Yeah, I know. I'm writing this down even if they're shown. I didn't realize I have to actually do that. That is super weird. I think, did I do the same for this one? 2.1. Okay, so that one is weird. I don't have to. Okay, so there we go. Now, what happened here? Well, that freaked me out when I hit run. Okay, so I hit run there, and I'm gonna start this guy here. Make this smaller for you guys who watch this tomorrow or 2 days from now. So that's not the one we want. Oh, I think that was the error. That was the error. I think that was the error. That was the error message. I think it hasn't started doing anything yet. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, let's stop this. Okay, it says invalid T5 text model FPA is not supported by this node. Help fix this. So do I have to get a T? What's the other option? The other option is, oh, there's a T5. So I guess I should have picked C5. Okay, so I'm picking T5. Okay, that seems to, yeah, that seems to, let's start this guy up again. Oh, no. Okay, one more time. Yeah. Oh, let's go to 2%. It says one text node, block one position embedding weight. I don't know what that means. Do I have to change any of this stuff? Huh. I don't know. Is that just a bug? You made it a different one. Okay, so okay, so you only show two options, but okay, so one video T5 TX in loader. So would the ComfyUI manager help with this, or should I actually go back to Hugging Face and manually get it? Okay, that doesn't help me at all. You may click the yellow note right next to it. Okay, So let's go this way. Open up in actually GitHub. I'm not actually using this, so I'll do this one. Yeah, no, it said, what did it say? It just has a URL, it just says models, and it just has a URL to the, to the Hugging Face, the key Jai video comfy tree main. That's all it's saying. Yeah, there's nothing else. That's just saying models. So it looks like the model name. I need to grab some text encoders. So okay, let's see. Excuse me. Oh. Okay. That's what I was saying. Can I just use the? Okay, let's see here. UMT5. Oh, okay. So this one is okay. So this one didn't work. So I'm guessing I need this one, which is the go-to file. That's the B16 version. And I thought this will go to the download. Oops. Oh, download. There we go. So I can download this one. How big is this file? Okay. Oh, it's that. Oh, that's pretty big. That's a pretty big file there. Looks like I'll have to. Oh, it's stored is X. It's too big to display, so yeah. All right. I guess I will. Oh, that's the actual. Yeah. So it looks like. Yeah, when I went back here, when I picked the, see, I have the FP8, but it doesn't like the FP8 one. So maybe, which is weird because this says FP8 here, and there's, that is weird because when I chose this one, or maybe I didn't click on it. You know what? Maybe I didn't click on it. That could probably be it. I probably didn't click on it like before. So let's see if that works. No, that also says T file T model PPA scaled is not supported by this node. Oh, what about change the precision? Ah, I thought like try scaled again. Which was it this one? This one here? No, it still says text mode. What is this blocks? Let me zoom in. Maybe you guys can see. It says blocks.one pose embedding weight. Yeah, I'll put it in the chat. I don't know what that is. Okay, I got you. Thanks. When T5 model text encoder. Yeah, yeah, I definitely need to. Okay, so wish this one worked. Yeah, but this is the thing. So B. Okay, so okay, I got it. So there's only BF, so I need to get the BF16. That's what it was by default. Oh, you know what? Let me try something. If I go back to this guy, No, I can't because it's FP. So yeah, it won't work as well because these are the only two. Yeah, so I need to grab one of them. Let me see which one is. Definitely need to download this guy. What was this one again? BF16. Yeah, so I definitely need to download this one, or I have to grab another one that fits the. Before I download this one, I'm gonna see if I can search for T5. So T5 XXL. Let's see if I can search for that one instead. That, or you can use the native workflow instead of Kaji's wrapper. Oh, okay. Okay, let me check. I think I click the back button here. What did I search before? Oh, no, I didn't search. So there's only load more files. How did it? Am I crazy? Oh, go to file. Here we go. What was it again? It was T5XXL. T5. Huh. Okay. There's only one T5. Okay. So it looks like it's this one here, or this. Oh, so those are the two which I do have. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like I probably need to download that one. Or so how do I go to the native wrap then? So I basically, oh, you mean I remove this text encoder and use the UTM5. Okay, got it. Just a second. Let's try that one. UM. I thought I found it before. What's going on? Did I spell it wrong? UMT5. Okay. UMT5. Yeah, it's the same thing. So there's only two of them. Oh, maybe it's because. Is it all the files? Do I have to load both files first? I hope not. No, yeah, it would find them here. So it looks like it does not. Okay, so looks like that's all the two they do have. And I don't feel like downloading it right now. If it was fast, it would be no problem downloading. So basically, I can use a different node for. All you need is just the native one. So we just double click and nope. Okay. All right. So T5 ball. All right. So it looks like I do. You have to switch the. Oh, I understand. Okay. So let's do that. Okay. So back to templates. The custom video ones. Oh, it's too zoomed in. Let's go back to the default size. Okay, so Homo. Plus image to video. Oh, image to video stuff. Yeah, that's why. Oh, under video. Okay, video. And then you search for video. No, it's not there. I have to actually go to the. I have to go under custom nodes and go to the one video wrapper there. So it's back. text to video. So it's a long TV example, 2.2b, text to video. That's the one we tried. And subject example T. Okay, let's try this one. 2.2. Oh, you mean under video? Okay. Oh, I got you. Okay, I got you. Go to video and okay. All right. So okay. I will. Yeah. You know what? I can actually. Yeah, you're right. So I should actually download it because I'm going to. I want to try 2.1 anyway, so I should really download it. So let's might as well go and download it. So yeah, that's no problem. So I'll download it anyway because I will need to. Which one was? I think it was this one. Let me just double check that's the correct one. We'll download the same thing which I've downloaded before. Let's go back to ComfyUI. And what was it? Example 3. Actually, it should have kept my examples, right? Let me make sure it's the right one. Yeah, BF16 or FP30. So it's BF16. So the BF16 is the one I want. So yes, I do want to download this guy. Yeah, BF16. So I'll click download. It's gonna take a while. Where's the download again? Oh yeah, download. Actually, you know, yeah, I had problems before, so I'm gonna be smarter this time. Where's the save? Just copy. Oh, I have to click. Keep on forgetting about that. Okay, and where do these sensors go? Not light. It's VA? No, it's not VA. It's not UNet. Oh, text encoders. Here we go. Open the console. Alright, so how long? Oh my god, this is a very long. This is a very long. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. If you're still watching. Alright. Excuse me. Okay. I have a question for you. So when I hit, why does this not work? When I go to File, Save, does it actually save to a file or I have to export it? I don't understand this because when I click, for example, I'm going to rename this. Oh, I have to rename it here. So if I click, so when I click this, for example, I don't know, test 1, right? What does this save do? Because when I click save, it saves save file. Oh, save file name. What does it save to? Okay, confirm. So what? Oh, workflow. Oh, workflows. Okay, so that should mean that my previous workflow should actually be here then. Let's go to ComfyUI. The ones that failed is what I'm trying to say. So. Stop. You would click on export to save it to your download folder. Huh. Okay. So okay, so I do. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I actually do need to do something more than simply because oh, I guess the save is just for the current. I guess when the browser is still open, that's the save. So basically, I thought it would save it maybe in like what do you call it, the like the cookies and the local storage, so I can pull it up next time, and then it will disappear if you clear your cache. However, yeah, okay, so in that case, actually I do want to export this, so let's go do that. I'll go to File and Export. Oh, okay, so yeah, it did export it. I'll show you. It exported it right here. You see, it exported into my downloads folder, so thanks for that. What's the progress here? Okay, this one, it's what, 36%, so it's roughly about 60% to go, so it's going okay. So the reason I like using Crow is because unlike when I did the browser, it actually did not continue. Even though it said it would continue, it actually deleted it instead when I hit resume, which doesn't make any sense. It was crazy. But based on the command line, whether I use wget or curl, I'll be able to resume. So which is a much better option. All right. So while this is going, let's actually go check out something related. So let's go check out. Let's go to Parts Picker. I think it's called Parts Picker. Yes, the Parts Picker Canada. Exact. Okay, so let's do that first. So Z download. Z core client tech is a bring software. Z core is to storage. Yeah, you know what? You're right, because I remember when I was trying to get all this stuff running in Podman, I was surprised how fast it was able to download. I also think it's probably because of because of night. I think SpaceX probably it should actually be fast now because most people are sleeping, so it should be like it should be way faster. Usually, like when I download stuff, whether I use wget, curl, or even just going to the website, it's usually way faster. Okay. Oh yeah, you're right. So it looks like, oh, this one looks like you. Okay, so okay, that's I can probably put this in the if pip. Is there a pip search? Okay, so that's fine. So let's see here. Pip install z. Okay, this command will install to z and dependencies you're using Hugging Face Hub, or later HTTP is already included in the dependency. Okay, all right. So I'll also get rid of use this. Ah, man, I'm learning quite a lot today. Hope you guys who are still live are also learning quite a bit here. Stick with it. Okay, so it says it's 79%. If you whoever will be watching this from the vertical screen, I'll just show you there. You can see it's 80%. So it should finish pretty soon. What was I here? Yeah, so as I was saying, you see the PC Parts Canada here. So we're going to take a look at this website's always mess things up. You can't, for example, find things, products. For example, I'm just interested in memory here. So $5,000. That's insanity. So let's look for DDR4. And we're looking for, oh, they're 48 gigs. Okay, let's see how much 2x48s are. That's the biggest ones they have. They're none. I guess that must be DDR5 only. Okay, so let's then go to, I wonder if it's just DDR5. Okay, that's DDR5 only. Let's get rid of, let's do the 32. Get rid of that. DDR4. That is crazy. Wow. Look at this one. $1,700. That is just nuts. That is nuts. Well, okay, look, okay, it's done, it's finished. So you see that went a little bit faster. As I said, I don't know why it was slow. Okay, so let's go back. That is crazy. Man, that's for living in Canada. You get punished for that. Oh, I forgot. I need to, oh, it's in the right place. So Control R, reloaded. Yeah, it's not. So the one we want is this one. Okay, there we go. And then make sure this guy is ready. It's very instant. Okay, is the temperature showing up? No, the temperature is not showing up. No errors. Okay, what's going on here? You might have to drop to the, okay, let's go this here, see what's going on in the command line. Nope. I don't even know which command line I'm on. Oh, the prompt, got prompt. Okay, so everything should be fine. Are you using the CPU? No, it's not using the GPU yet. Yeah. What is going on? Oh, I should check the RAM. Maybe the RAM will give me a quick indicator of what's going on as well. Oh, this says 14. It's not using the GPU. What is going on? It's doing something. I see it says 14. It's not using the GPU at all. Let's go back to the command line. Okay, it's the text executed. Okay, still. That is interesting. Is it just going to use the CPU only? Hope not. Something is definitely happening. It's using very little. Oh, it's using the CPU. It's not touching any of the GPUs, by the way. Oh, that's not true. It might be using the integrated graphics. No, it's not even using the integrated graphics. Okay. That is weird. No, I want to be ready. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, so everything is fine here. I just want to, sorry, I'll go back there. I just want to make sure that I'm ready to bump this up. I'm ready to bump this up. I'll check the, you know what, here, this is what I'll do. I'll grab this guy and I'll put it here. This will give me a visual thing of what's going on so I can run quickly. And, you know, oh yeah, I'll just split the screen. So what I'll do is I'll grab this. Oh, it's calling a text. So the text must be, oh, it's thinking. What the hell? Yeah, it says segmentation fault, core dumped. Nothing. What the? T5 0%. Wow, okay. It just stopped. That is super weird. You need to quantize everything you can probably. Yeah. Look, you see the memory went back to 6.7, so it actually looks like it cleared the previous stuff. So you close, yeah, you close the segmentation fault. Okay, that is pretty interesting. But well, I can definitely fool around with this a little bit more to see what went wrong. Sometimes I've noticed if I start Comfy, everything just does work. That is weird that it just. Okay, let's start it again. Okay, so I should be able to run it again. Let me make sure. The good thing, it cleared the entire memory, as you can see here, and you see the swap. It also cleared up in the swap as well, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna hit run. Hopefully everything goes well. Let's put it in the cache. Okay, just gonna try that next. No problem. So I want to see if it actually uses the GPU this time. Let me put this up here. So the prompt, it's still there in the prompt part. Got prompt. Memory went up. Well, that's a ComfyUI, a manager. Okay, the same thing, T5 encoder again. It's still not using the GPU. So you can see here it's not using the GPU, it's doing everything in the CPU as well. So maybe I need to, I probably need to use another, what do you call it? Another, I guess, template. But you see, it's only using 64% of the memory. So the problem is not the memory. Well, I didn't check the CPU. The CPU cores, or whatever the threads, they're not being used as well. So the problem must be with that setup. But yeah, so yeah, not at all. So I can actually comfortably go here because I know it's not using the GPU. So I can stay here. 3 options to optimize. Okay, so offload device. Okay, oh, disabled. So I enable this. FP. Will this work though if I turn that on? It goes to the memory if it won't fit to RAM. Oh, that's a offload. Okay. Yeah. So it's still at 0% here. The light in front, so it's definitely doing something. It's not putting it on the GPU, which is very unfortunate. I'm wondering if this, yeah, there, same thing again. It never used the GPU. It barely used the CPU as well. So so that that node is not, doesn't work. No, I don't need to. It already stopped. It stopped the server, so it cleared the cache as well, and it cleared. You don't see it up here, but I'm pretty sure it also cleared. Let me make this a little bit smaller. You see, it also cleared the RAM, so it just reconnected again. So yeah, it's like nothing happened. So it looks like I might need to do something else. Oops. Might need to do something else instead. So it looks like this node doesn't work, test one. Might have to do an image to, but hey, as I said, I at least I made some progress today. I learned quite a lot just like a couple days ago. And and we actually managed to use LTX to actually generate some video. Click on FP8. Okay, sure. Let's go here. Oops, I would go this way here. So here, this one, I choose FP8. And for the offload device, it just has main device and offload device. Obviously, it's supposed to be offload device. That's for the GPU, but that's the part that's not working. All right, let me try that one. Oh, did it have to start? Oh, it's already started, I believe. Yeah, it already started again. So I'll click run. Cancel run. Okay. I'm watching this guy here. Oh, I was happy when it went up to 43 degrees. Yeah, it's running already. There's a little bit delay. I think it's like half a second delay before you guys see what I'm doing, but I've already started the run again. So I'm just checking this. It looks like it's not going to run. Temperature is not even doing anything. You see it says got prompt there. Actually, you know what am I doing? I should actually make this smaller. I don't need to make it so big. Then I can make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Make this smaller too. Yeah, it's not using the GPU at all. I wouldn't be surprised if it's hard-coded for NVIDIA. And yeah, it's barely using the CPU. That's actually even more strange. It's barely using the CPU. Oh, so since it's not using the GPU, I don't have to worry. I can actually stay here, zoom out. I think what I'll try some of well, oh, you know what? I can probably try one of those image to, since I already have an image to video. And I'm happy the way it generates images. I think I can use that to. I can generate some images, and then I can then get those to get the video running. Yeah, it's running. You can see it's in queue here. No, it's running. You see it says got prompt. It's running here. It's definitely running. It's barely using the CPU though. That actually, oh, the CPU just jumped a little bit there. Oh, there we go. Same thing. It just crashed. Segmentation fault again. And is there a log? Is there a Comfy log? Could you tell us what happened here? Oops. Oh, I should actually have checked. I don't know where Comfy. I don't know where Comfy puts its logs when things like that happen. Do you guys know where it puts logs? That would be nice, so we can check. So, No. No, it doesn't have anything. I wish it did, because I could see what the problem but yeah. So that looks like that's not gonna work. But I would definitely, yeah, it will freeze again though. Yeah, that's the thing. So, however, this was not a complete what do you call it? This was not a complete fail. I said we did actually manage to get video working. It did take 10 minutes in LTX. I said that was just the default. So I'll continue playing with this, and might even try again tomorrow. Let me see let's see what's going on tomorrow. I think tomorrow is just a text editor for the oh no, it's this Foxlow. Yeah, so I'll probably do this again tomorrow night, and just to get we'll see if we can get some other videos a different way. But I'm pretty happy with this. I definitely so like the LTX videos beyond I mean it's the best video produced so far, and that was weird. It was just the default settings. So we will continue with this, and I'll do some research as well, and probably do another video tomorrow getting this optimized. So it looks like there's no way I'm going to be buying memory anytime soon as well. I know it's a Black Friday. The memory is ridiculously overpriced. Even when I upgraded this system, what has it been, like a month or so? Yeah, I upgraded. Yeah, it's been probably about a month or so, and it's like the memory just shot up in price. It's preposterous. So so looks like I'm stuck with this system for a while, until maybe things go back to normal. Then I can buy more RAM. But other than that, I'll figure this out. Yeah, so there's still a lot of AI stuff to come. Thanks again, Point, for sticking up with me and helping me out a lot. I really appreciate it. And I say you gave me a lot of information from, for example, how to install this one video wrapper, how to set it up, and you also gave me like I can look for the Alma node. So you know what? Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna start that up again and see if I can actually install that. What is this here? Oh, I don't need this. Let's get this started again. Okay. Yeah. So as you saw, we went to the CD. We download stuff from here. We download stuff from KJ. Okay, so it's reconnected, and I'm gonna search for, where is it here? Not install missing nodes. Alma. Yeah, so Olama. There we go. So there's Olama, so I can install Olama. Okay, that's interesting as well. So I can use some of this. I think it was LT. Oh, okay. So another one is LTX tricks. Oh, just put LTX. Let's see. LTX. There's LTX video. There's video LoRa, video registry, and LTX 13B block swap. So that's another one. I can. So this one, what is it? This is a simple LTX block swap for ComfyUI native nodes for 13dB model. Works by swapping up to the CPU to reduce VRAM. Okay. But in my case, I don't need to reduce the VRAM. I need actually just to reduce the RAM. So it's like the opposite. Yeah. I can go search for it elsewhere as well if it's not here. Like I know some of them are probably not, but that's perfectly fine. I could go find them. And this patch is for the one video LTX. Okay. Yeah. So I said I can definitely Yeah. So, oh, this is a nightly, so I have to be careful with that. Make sure everything is up to date. RTX is last November. Okay, that's fine. As I said, I will also tweak. I said another thing is I believe LTX for that resolution is probably the fastest one so far, and I said without any tweaks. So I said I will I can flow around with it. It will be the baseline. So basically, videos will be based on that, and right now it's actually the one that produced the best quality so far for this system. One thing I did like about the LTX is that it offloaded straight into the GPU, not straight, but almost instantly into the GPU, and then it released the RAM. That's very, very nice. And then basically looks like the GPU is the one that created actually the video. Although the video had a few little artifacts, I knew that's usually normal for GPU if you do everything on GPU, but I'm saying I was pretty happy with the results. Now, of course, the time was 10 minutes. That's a little bit high. So I'll look into tweaking it further to because as you guys know, 10 minutes, that means I have to sit around here and hear the fan just spin. So that drives me. I mean, I could probably get some earplugs or something, but still, I would like to, I like to be able to tweak some things here and here. So we'll see. And there's also for photos. I haven't tweaked any of the photo stuff. I just use the default as well. So that's another thing we can probably do in the future as well. So if we get good quality photos, then we can use maybe the image to video models as well, and go from there. Cool. And also, I think there was another model which, another template or API where it can also be connected to Blender. So, for example, if you model something in Blender, you can get the ComfyUI to actually generate your textures for you. So that's also that's something we can also try in the future. We can probably use Python to just do everything in the background. So that will be an excellent option. So that will be all coming. I don't know if I'll be able to do that all this year, but yeah, definitely we'll try. All right, so thanks again, Point. So I'm going to end this. I'm going to end this live stream. It's actually been my longest live stream ever. It's actually, oh, it says right here on OBS, it's 3 hours and 38 minutes. That is super, super long. I'd like to thank again. So I'll finish up very quickly. Same thing like we did earlier today. Somewhere down here. That I have some resources for you guys. So if you want to learn Python, I do have a learning Python book on Amazon. The links are also in the description. I also have a course called Learning Python. It's available on ajamboshop.com. The links are also in the description. And if you need personalized guidance, I also offer one-on-one Python tutorials. You can book your session at ajambo.com/contact. The link is also in the description. And if you need expert setup, if you need assistance, so complex setup, as you guys know, I use Linux. I've been using this in 2008. So if you need anything Linux related, whether it's the operating system, setting up stuff like mail servers for your email, websites. I'm actually a freelance program. If you guys didn't know that, most of the work I get is for helping maintain websites or programming the front end or the back end in PHP. So I can help you guys with that. You contact me at ojamboservices.com/contact. And I'm getting really comfortable thanks to people like Point here for helping me with stuff like AI. So I'm getting pretty comfortable with that. Usually what I do train them. I just use Python, and I do it in stuff like Podman Compose, so it's contained, or you can use the Python virtual environments. So that's ojamboservices.com/contact. Okay, so again, the other thing is I also have two other resources. As I said before earlier, I'm in a rural area, so I use SpaceX Starlink. So I do have a referral link here. If you do use it, if you're looking for the residential service, you can use my referral link. I get 1 month free, and you get some discounts as well. It depends on your geographical location how long the discount and what type of discount you get, but you definitely do get a discount. And I also have another resource. The reason I use Spaces Sign, because I said in my rural area, so this signal is not very good. So I also use it on my phone for Wi-Fi calling. And the other one I want to promote is my novelette. It's called Algorithmic Serpent. It's available on Amazon in paperback and ebook form. You see there, it's at Eldorado Jumbo. That's my name. And it's about a scientist who creates an AI, and he loses his mind, so he has to regain control of not only his mind but also the AI system he generated. You can see here, this is it's a real paperback. You see the pages in there. It's available right now. It's been available for I think a couple months, and it's very affordable. So let me know what you guys think of it, good or bad. I like writing, not just programming books. I wanna write some more fiction, but I need some feedback. So not to motivate me, but I just need to see where I can improve. All right, now with that said, I am going to, it's right midnight right now, my time. So I'm going to end this. Thanks again to everybody who joined, especially Point. I appreciate that very much, and I'll keep this up. Definitely, I'll do a little bit of research tomorrow, and I might actually continue this tomorrow. Obviously, during the morning and stuff, I'll download some more models, and I'll test it. All right, guys, thanks very much from the bottom of my heart. Also, be sure to subscribe and like and follow and leave comments as well. That helps the channel grow and helps other people as well. For example, I learned all this by watching just a few videos, and now here I am. I'm pretty comfortable with installing like the AMD drivers, the sensors and all that stuff too. So okay, I'll stop talking. Bye now. Have a great day or good night, early morning, good morning. See you guys tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern. Bye now.